Hello, hello, good afternoon. Power Hour is 30 minutes away, and Nano Dimension is kicking our asses in volume. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, this is the problem, all right? I mean, for the first problem is that there's obviously, there is no volume to begin with. We're not even gonna match the average 3 month volume. But dude, we were way higher than Nano Dimension in volume earlier. Now they're catching up to us. They're almost matching us, and this is with the huge news today. So it's like, oh my gosh, it's like no. So that's really frustrating, obviously. But right now we're up about 3%, and we broke down below the descending level, and this has kind of dictated the day, right? We did confirm this. I mean, we did confirm the breakout. That's a buy signal right there. And for some reason, on the 5 minute chart, the intraday chart sometimes is a little misleading, and we broke down. We've been getting rejected at it ever since. And we're going to need to break above that before we actually start making any sort of higher highs or higher lows. We are seeing a lot of buying coming in. If we look at this right here, we have the buy side imbalance going on, meaning there's more shares being bought at the ask or at favorable prices to help the price go up. Yet we're still going down, or at least we're not. That's not actually helping the price as much as it should be. So yeah. Yeah, so there is no news. There is nothing that we actually missed, I believe. Yeah, we've had a ton of false break ups and downs. Yes, and right now, and actually, you know what? Okay, we have not had any news. We can go over that in a second, though. But right now, we are struggling to hold above 788, and that's where the 4-hourly 21 SMA is. And we did break above that, and we got a 4-hourly candle close above for the first time in a couple of days, trading days, and now we're 788. Right now, we're at 786. So I would love if we could close the day above 788. We did get probably the most important thing we did get, right? We got the 4-hourly SAR flip back to bullish, which is amazing. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. And but we did get the SAR flip to bullish, right? That's the biggest thing today. That's the biggest thing. And you love to see it. And obviously, that's not the real big thing. The real big thing is that we actually got a new CBO that is awesome. That it has a ton of credentials, and I love how they worded it here. That he's going to be new, right? Leading product strategy, broadening its business, new markets, and strategic expansion of its product and technology portfolios, right? FDA approval, nano nozzle, new technology, new patents, new rights, and global staff adoption. All of those things are more likely to happen as we get more experienced people with us and with our team. But of course, no one cares. No one understands that. So we're still, we're up 3% today. You can't complain, right? The market's doing pretty well now. They've been doing pretty. I mean, oh, okay, never mind. The Russell's been getting killed. Okay, never mind. I thought they were going up. Hold on. Let me see this. Okay, so the Nasdaq has gone up a little bit, but the other two have done. They haven't done much. So that makes sense. The Nasdaq hasn't done much then. Well, yeah, that's what we're looking at. We do have a buy-side imbalance again. There's no new news that we haven't covered, I believe. Howard, tell me. Send to the Discord. Send us proof that your brother-in-law is working for Bionano. I doubt you very much, but I hope you're not. I hope you're not messing with us, but I know you probably are. Can't we all just buy 10 shares all at the same time? Yeah, I'm open to the idea. I'm definitely open to the idea. If people can't see this company is moving in a forward direction, they must be eating crayons. Yeah, I don't understand. I mean, whatever. We're up 3% today. It's fine. It's like, but it's just, we've got great news. And of course, no one knows about the Russell 3000. No one knows about the June 1st. It was on June 1st, so it's not new, but it's pretty new, and no one knows about it. And now, since I made the video on it, more people hopefully should. There's the optical genome mapping being used in another study, which we are likely to get some revenue from that. There's dissenting sources on that. I thought it was better than someone else that told me. Someone else was telling me it's only about $100,000 in revenue probably that we got. I think it might be a lot more than that. A U to the upside. Yeah, definitely. I think it will. Dude, come on, man. Come on. You can't. Just don't spam it, please. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. But a U to the upside, I think it's definitely possible, and I actually do think it's likely. And here's why. All right, if we go to the economic calendar, not only we have nothing tomorrow, right? Tomorrow's gonna be Tuesday, and we have nothing. But Wednesday is the big day, right? Federal Reserve announcement and JP press conference. I'm actually feeling pretty good about these, to be honest with you. Not only, the CPI data was bad, but it wasn't that bad. So I don't really see them. I don't see them really saying. I don't see them trying to begin tapering. I mean, I don't know. They certainly could, but I don't think they're going to. I don't think they're going to start doing that, right? I mean, all it takes is them to say, okay, we're gonna be tapering. I don't know, whenever it is, sooner than expected, and then the markets will freak the fuck out. But not extremely likely, I don't think. So I'm not feeling that bad. I'm not feeling that bad. Plus Canada, they kept their interest rates really low, right? So these guys, we may follow suit with that. That was I think that was last week. I think that was news of last week. So I don't really. I'm not feeling too bad about the reserve announcement today and JP talking. I'm not feeling too bad about it. NASDAQ might be up, but we started the day off with 1,000 decliners, and now we are almost 2,000 decliners. Yeah, let me see that. Do I have that widget on here? I don't think I do. Well, look at banking get absolutely annihilated today. Software and IT doing well. Apple's up 2%. Okay, that's interesting. Why? Oh my god, I hate when I see Microsoft, Google, Facebook up. I hate those guys. Y'all probably invested in them, but yeah. The high growth is kind of taking a beating a little bit. Clover was like 5% up earlier, getting killed now. Microvision is actually doing really well. It was down like 6% earlier. So I mean, it's mostly green, but if you scroll down here, right, you got GameStop, MNMD, IDX, Rumble, Ocugen, BCRX. They're all down. JAGX is down big. That's ugly to see, but there are companies doing well. But it's not like high growth is running today. It's doing well, but it's not like it's doing great. The Nasdaq's only up 0.3%. That's kind of what the day is like right now. And if we look at the genomics sector here, looks like Bionano is the second highest on this little genomics watch list I have here, outperforming Illumina and Pat Bio by a mile today, and the last 3 months and the last year, right? So SENS is hot on Reddit. I haven't seen any Wall Street Bets SENS posts, but yeah, SENS. That's all you need. All you need is some Reddit, some good posts on Reddit to get the hype going, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. That's a good thing. That's a good, as long as it's factual stuff, That's what you need. That's what you need. AMC is doing really well today. Yeah, but there's no new news. One thing that I did want to go over here is that if we look at LinkedIn, their job posting is that we have a bit of a nanonozzle clue here. Now, let me go ahead and, you know what? Here, let me go ahead and go to, well, I can do this on stream or we can do this in another video, but essentially ape language, right? If we go to the primary duties and responsibilities of this staff electrical engineer, right? Propose instrument and archetype. I don't even know how to say it. Instrument. Okay, anyways, propose new instruments and control schemes, basically, okay? Oversee the design of ultra-precise current and voltage sounding circuits. If you compare this kind of jargon with the some of the nanonozzle patents, the vocab and jargon is very similar, especially in some of this stuff right here. And I think I'm going to do a video on explaining why that may actually be some nanonozzle. That may be alluding to the nanonozzle itself. Maybe. All in on AMC now. Architecture. Oh, it's architectures. I'm stupid. No, I'm just stupid. Architectures. Instrument architectures. Yes. Yes, I'm just dumb. Yes. I'm in general a bullish trader, but based on my technical, TA 7 or even 6.5 might be possible this week before it really bounced up the RSI, CCI, stochastics, MACD, and the moving average. No. Dude, I respect that. We're going to here, let's go over this right now, but dude, that's like 1,000 things that you said was wrong there. Okay, so RSI, number one, daily. RSI, you just cooled down from 70. We're now kind of starting to make our move up, right? We're at 62. We got plenty of room to go there. The weekly stochastic indicator is looking absolutely fantastic, okay? You're basically neutral on this stochastic indicator. Think of this as an RSI and MACD in one, right? You're basically neutral. You still have the buy signal, though. It's still a buy signal, no doubt. If you look at the Bollinger Bands in the daily, or on the weekly, we got rejected, okay? But if you look at the daily, the lowest we can realistically go, I mean, let's say we are going to make our way slowly down, right? Not only do you have this ascending level right here that you're going to likely hit, 750, and then you're going to get this perfect congruency intersection with that 21 SMA that's going up like what? 20 cents, 15 to 20 cents a day. So you give it a couple days here by the end of the week, and next week you're going to have the 21 SMA coming up to bounce us off. The only way we see, in my opinion, the only way we see 7 or 6.5 is if the market's dump. I completely disagree. I don't mean to be disrespectful. I appreciate that opinion, but absolutely not. Absolutely not. That's absolutely wrong. I don't know what you're looking at. The RSI is not overbought. The stochastics is not overbought. What moving averages are you talking about? Every single moving average that you can look at is bullish, except one. What are you talking about, man? Respectfully, what's your name? Land something? Dude, I don't know what you tell me what indicators you're looking at, because right now all the indicators you listed were above every single one of them. You know, it's bullish on every single one of them. So I don't really understand it. I mean, if we look at the stochastic indicator on the 4-hourly, you just got a buy signal, man. And this is what we were talking about in the technical analysis on the weekend yesterday. We said this exactly. I don't mean to brag, but I sometimes I accidentally brag. I don't even mean to. All right, we just got the bullish flip, and you were oversold on the stochastic indicator on the 4-hourly. You were oversold. That's as simple as it gets. So that's a buy signal, and obviously once you broke out the descending level resistance, your price target is way up here, almost a perfect level of congruency with the previous high of 920. So I don't know. I don't really know what you're looking at. I look at daily indicators, not hours. I'm looking at the daily too. If you look at the daily moving averages, it's looking great. If you look at the daily RSI, it's not looking, I mean, you're not oversold, but you're not overbought either, so you got plenty of room to go there. If you look at the stochastic indicator on the daily, you're just about to get the bullish flip, bullish crossover. Sorry, not flip. I always call it flip because the Supertrend SAR gets in my head, the habit, right? Bullish crossover is almost there. And then what's the other one you said there? Yeah, make sure you're looking at the right ticker. Yeah, make sure you could be looking at the wrong stock. Yeah. I actually don't think I've done that one yet. I probably will now that I said it though. Actually, no, I think I had. Yeah, no, I have done that. I've done that on stream before, where someone told me to look up one and then I was looking at the wrong one. I was like, dude, this is bearish. TA is complete BS. Changed my mind. Well, the one reason why that's totally false in my mind is because, if you don't look at the charts, if you don't look at oversold and overbought stuff, you never know where to buy, right? You're just, okay, it's fundamentally undervalued, right? Because of technical analysis, right, you could say, and this is what we did, and all my OGs know this, on this downtrend right here, we were loading, right? I mean, well, you may make the argument, well, Brandon, you were loading every time it was that oversold. You're right. You're damn right. And that is the precise reason. RSI, that's the precise reason why we're up 37% right now, and the portfolio's up like, what, 85% in like, I don't know what, since that date right there. So absolutely, I totally TA in the grand scheme of things, overall, you don't need to know about charts. You don't need to know about lines if you're a long-term investor. But if you want to get a good price, it's a great thing to do. I mean, all you have to do is just look up the freaking RSI. You don't need anything else, right? If you want to get a decent price, just look at the RSI, and that's like the number one thing you need, right? It's not that hard to do. And then you can get more complex and do all the other stuff, which helps a little bit. Not a ton, but it helps a little bit. Yeah, price action. Yeah, chart patterns, trend direction, uptrend, downtrend, continuation patterns, all that crap, right? Yeah, it helps. It helps sometimes. I call it crap, but it's helpful sometimes. Check out the weekly candle. Why? Because we got an inverse. Because we got an inverse hammer here, and we're kind of getting another one right now. Well, if you're worried about the weekly candles, I would say that, well, we just got a 3-way soldiers. And we also got a hammer candle right here. Also, you have a big ass cup and handle maybe forming. Plus, we got great news. Plus, I mean, none of the technicals matter if Wall Street Bets stops censoring BNGO posts. We're going to the moon if they stop censoring us. So I wouldn't be too worried. The weekly candle, I don't know. What are you thinking there? BNGO will hit 60 by February, March next year. Just think about it that way. Just like my 4.6 theory on CPI. EDT, aren't you the one that predicted 0.48 or something? Inflation CPI, and you got it wrong, right? I think. I could be wrong. I could be remembering wrong. What was a good buy point you said? A good buy point for BNGO? Well, it could be right now. But maybe. Please make your own decision. It could be right now, though, because we are trying to we're kind of hanging on for dear life with the 21 SMA on the 4-hourly chart, right? That the middle Bollinger Band, right? 788 is where it's at, and we're right now at 786. So we're kind of trying to confirm the breakdown. But if we don't do that, you know what? Let's say we keep bleeding here, carnage, right? Let's say we end the day red or something crazy. Your level to load up on is going to be $7 flat, and then it's time sensitive, right? But it's this ascending trend line right here. So what? You're looking at 720, 750, right? You're looking at $8 and by the end of this month, this thing will be up to the current price. And then, honestly, maybe even more important than that, the middle Bollinger Band, the daily, that's going to catch up the price action quicker. Maybe, probably. It depends on the price action in the next few days. But yeah, I'm already losing 2K on this. Sell then if you're worried. I say it every day. I said it in the morning. I say it every time. It doesn't matter. People will still always get mad at me, and I'm fine with that. I understand what it means to do what we're doing here, but. Yeah, you got to sell. If you're already down 2K and you're worried you're gonna lose all your money, whatever the hell you're gonna pan to sell, whatever. Okay, it's not the stock for you. It's not the stock for you, man. It's not for everybody. It's really hard. When you're buying Bionano stock nowadays, like the last few weeks, it's just a war. It's just a war between the people that are trading on the dark pools and trying to be manipulative intentionally, and the naked shorts and the short ladder attacks and the short interest only increasing. It's a battle. That's all it is. It's a battle. I am back, pump and dump, I told you. Oh, man. That's too funny. Yeah, stop buying the top. Yeah, if you're mad about being down, stop buying the top. That's an easy way to put it. I usually look at the big time frames and then lower time frames when I trade. Yeah, that's a good idea, but if you're going to trade, you might want to use the smaller ones as well, right? If you're going to do swing trading and day trading, you might want to look at all of them, or at least some of them, right? The 4 hourly, at least. The 4 hourly is huge. 4 hourly is second most important one, man. I think it is. Everyone does it differently. Dollar cost averaging, keep buying periodically. I'd average in using 5 strikes, check the gaps. Fed news tomorrow, Wednesday. That's a good question. So the Fed news, if we look at the economic calendar right here, so it's going to be Wednesday. That's when the Fed is announcing whatever they're going to do, right? Tapering. We're going to begin thinking about doing tapering, right? That's the whole spiel, right? And then you got the JP press conference, 2:30 p.m. Eastern time Wednesday as well. Wednesday, both of them are going to be about 2 p.m. Eastern time and then 1 p.m. Central time. Yep. TipRanks has an article out about BNGO. About what? About what, my friend? I would love if we could close the day above 788. That's the goal for today. We already hit the goal for today. I'm happy as long as we're green, right? I can't complain. Even if we go down today, I can't complain, right? We got great news, right? Even if other people don't see it, you still have to realize that the facts are this. It's a great buying point based on that. Fundamentally, right now, we are better than we've ever been before, and we're worth half the valuation that we were on February 16th, right? Wednesday could show us a lot. Yeah, well, it's going to be interesting. I don't think much is going to happen. I hope not, at least. They talk about the short squeeze. Are you talking about this one? Or are you talking about the Yahoo one? We just saw, I just had that one pulled up. Yeah, the shorts. I think we already went over the one you're talking about. It was pretty bad, to be honest with you. It was okay. Dang it looks like we're getting rejected here. We're making the 788. That is now going to be our new resistance level. Wow. What a freaking false breakout today. If we really are going to close the day below 788, man. My long-term target for BNGO is going to be well, it depends on what you mean by long-term, but end of year, I'd say $20 is realistic. That's pretty likely. $15 is very likely, I would say. And higher than that, I mean, down the line, okay, I wouldn't be surprised if we're $1,000 share price in a decade or less, to be honest. I mean, that sounds crazy, I know, but based on the revenue, we should maybe even be more than that, right? By then. So 2030, yeah, $1,000 may not be that crazy based on the revenue projections by Radnrose's DCF 2.0. Maybe. $60 February to March 2022. Dude. Really? 680. BNGO will hit 680 by 24th June and we'll hit 1187 in August. What? Bro, how do you get those numbers? Man? I mean, I hope you're right, but I also don't hope you're right. We'll see. We'll see. It certainly could happen, but I think the only way Bionano hits 680 short term is if the market's shit itself, essentially. That's the only way. Just watch. All right. We will be watching. We certainly will be watching. We will be. I mean, I don't see Bionano. I mean, unless some crazy negative news headwind comes out, which never happens, right? Unless that happens, which it probably shouldn't. The only way Bionano sees lower than $7 is the market's absolutely dump, I think. I thought you said it was like 4.8% or something. Is the Nasdaq doing okay? It seems overextended. By technical standpoint, but from a technical standpoint, the Nasdaq is not that overextended. No, it's only well, okay. It was. I think it was only. I think it was. I feel like this was earlier, less when we checked it earlier. But anyways, yeah, it's not that bad. It's at 65 right now. It's not bad. It's not horrible, right? If you look at the Bollinger Bands in the daily, we've just been slowly climbing for the Nasdaq. So no, it's not extremely overextended short term. I would say based on the technicals, right? I mean, is the market overextended because of the government and economic stuff policies? That's a whole nother question, right? And I don't want to do that rant because we did last time and it was like 10 minutes. It's a long one, but well, it looks like we are. I mean, it looks like we're forming. I mean, it kind of looks like a big ass W, like a modified, super deformed W pattern here for the Nasdaq. But then it's like kind of. It's like kind of. Overall yearly growth 4.6%, which can top up to 5% if it's a good year. Whales coming in? Not really. We still have the buy side imbalance. There's still 16,000 imbalanced shares, man. Essentially, all that means is just there's way more buying going, or there is a little bit more, at least buying going on at the ask than shares being sold at the bid, which basically, ape language is more. Basically, it means there's way more buying than selling relatively, if that makes sense, right? Selling moves the stock price more than buying today. That's at least to my understanding. That's what this basically means. So we've been seeing a lot more shares being bought at prices that help the stock go up, yet it doesn't help it as much as stocks as red orders that make it go down or help it go down. You think we bounce from here? I think we do too, but I mean at the end of the day, it just no one understands the news today. No one understands what this means. If they did, we would be up 10%. Because I mean, just read it. This isn't. I don't want to be the guy that's like, okay, well, this is like huge when it's barely, it's just they're just putting stuff down on paper. But still, you can't tell me this doesn't get you excited, right? This new guy leading product strategy, right? Whatever, that doesn't matter, right? But new markets, right? Broadening business into new markets, right? What does that mean? Probably non-invasive prenatal screening or testing. Strategic expansion of its product. What do you think strategic expansion of its product mean? More sales, more revenue, right? And strategic expansion of technology portfolios. We're talking patents. We're talking rights. We're talking FDA approval. If you read this thing, you'll understand why, right? He literally was one of the transformational leaders at this company who brought microarrays, one of our biggest competitions, by the way, got them FDA cleared. This is exciting regardless of if you're a bull or bear. Okay, this makes you think that we've got good things coming. I mean, that's as simple as it gets. No, of course, no one reads or no one understands the news. I'm convinced that no one understands the news, right? Or at least this is what I'm convinced of. The people that are trading Bionano every day, a lot of shares that are determining the stock price, they don't care about the news. They, maybe this is just because maybe people do understand the news, just the manipulators are able to freaking suppress it so much or whatever, make it move at such weird times that it comes, it's perceived by us and me that it's actually, that people don't understand it when it's actually just manipulation. That could be it. That certainly could be it. Is it true mythical switch to bullish? Yes. Bitcoin readjusted to the pattern of AMC. Are you kidding me? That's not real. That's not real. It's not. No, it didn't. You're bullshitting me. It didn't do it much in the pre-market. I mean, it was barely up in the pre-market, right? Bitcoin had news. Bitcoin had news, man. Yeah. Well, maybe not. Well, I'm not really seeing. A little bit, but not really. I mean, I don't know. 30-minute chart is ugly. Look at that freaking steep downtrend. Oh, 5-minute looks better. Yeah, Mythical Physics is now a bull, I guess. He's probably going to be bearish now that we've gone down since he decided he's bullish now. He's probably going to be a bear. He's probably going to switch back over again. Oh yeah, it was let me see his tweet that actually did it. Hold on. This is important. We need to see this. This is important. This is relevant. Let me see what it was. It's always funny to see what he says. Uranus only takes 84. Could turn out to be one big Philip K. Dick joke in the end. Dude, this guy, he posts too much. Where is it? Esoteric meme of the day. Nope, I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh, 779 intraday low. Well, yes. Well, no, not technically. We technically opened up all the way down to 761. He changed his mind or some crap. Yeah, I'm not seeing the one. Maybe if you want to send me the Wait, I heard someone say that what do you call it? I heard someone say that Elon said or Tesla said they're going to accept Bitcoin again. Is that what it was? I don't know. It doesn't matter. I don't know. Mythical Vision said as flip-floppy on BNGO as Musk is on Bitcoin. Yeah, he kind of is. He kind of is. It seems like it at least. If you change the handle and brush on a broom, is it the same broom? Depends on how you define it. All those questions depend on how you define it. All right, 30K to be sold at 784. Fake walls, you know they're fake walls. Are we gonna get a power hour climb or not? And the end of the mission is still freaking bleeding. Microvision, same thing. Just these last 5 minutes, everything's wow. Dude, it's just steadily downtrending on a day as supposed to be an exciting day. Of course, it's not though. We got huge. I mean, last time we got news. I mean, the CCO news was great. Okay, I really like the CCO news, but I do think this news is actually bigger. I do because there's way more subtle hints towards nano nozzle and FDA approval here. I mean, it has to be. Plus, this guy used to work with the CMA competition, right? That's competition for Bionano. He knows their secrets, man. Okay, that's not really what matters, but the thing that does matter is that he knows the other technology's capabilities, and he believes in Bionano even more than those. So that's as simple as it gets. It's good news. It's very good news. No one knows what microarrays are, though. At least the people that are trading it don't care. Woof. All right, we'll take a look at Woof here. Is it a Wall Street? Tell me if it's a Wall Street Bets thing. Touching it with 5K this week. Another 5K next dip. As soon as it hits 680 or below, I'm buying the dip and riding the wave. All right, well, it looks like this is your opportunity if that's the case. There's a ton of risk this week. There's a ton of risk. There's a reason why I have a ton of buying power left, but it's not because I'm bearish on Bionano. It's because I'm worried about high growth and the Fed. That's why. Otherwise, I would be adding I could add like a total of what 500 shares, 449. That's gonna freaking triple pretty soon here. I will have 10,000 shares eventually. Pretty soon here, we probably will. Just hopped in. Any thoughts on Clove and Microvision? Well, Clove is being a bitch. Essentially, I tried to sell this earlier, and it literally I have sick. I thought I only had one share. Okay, that tells you how much attention I pay to this freaking play money account. But my thoughts on Clove is that it's a Wall Street bet thing. It's literally just whatever Wall Street bets, whatever they think, whatever the shorts do. That's pretty much what it is. Microvision on the other hand, very interesting chart here. If you look at the daily chart for Microvision, man, look at that. Could have bought this at 9.19 today. My thoughts on Microvision is that it's great. I like the company a lot. Here's the thing. Look at the chart. Dude. Oh my gosh. I mean, I can't buy at these prices. Dude, this thing was worth 15 cents a year ago, man. I mean, I really do like the company a lot, but man, it's hard to get me to buy at these prices. You know what I mean? But the goal for Bionano today is to close above 788. We already got the 4-hourly SAR flipped to bullish, right? We are now bullish on the SAR and the Supertrend on the 4-hourly and daily, right? If you look at the daily, it's beauty. It's beauty. We're in bullish as you can get. That's the territory that we have right now, that we're currently in. Have not got the 5-minute flip to bullish in a long time on the intraday chart. Man. Why can't we just gain 100% from here? We can be so happy. A question for the ages, my friends. If you understand BNGO Sapphire Tech, you will buy at this price. Yeah, that's true. Yep, that's true. But well, here's the thing, though. You could be waiting for a while because it doesn't matter how much good news Bionano gets. If inflation is horrible and Fed tapers, it's going to be a 20%, 10 to 20% broader market correction. High growth will likely get decimated, including Bionano, and Bionano will probably see if the bear case were to happen. I don't think there's a very high chance of this happening, but if it were to happen like this month or next month, Bionano would see definitely $6, maybe $5. I don't know if it's ever going to see $4 again, but probably not. Honestly, we've got so many good fundamental increases in the value, man. So, but yeah, no, I'm not selling. No, hell no. And the squeeze potential is still there, right? Yes, there is a gamma squeeze potential on the horizon. Yes, it's as simple as it gets. We got expirations of short-dated call options that have been bought way more than puts. That's expiring. Those are expiring the 18th of June, right? If you look at the open interest, way more on the call side than the put side, right? You don't even have anything in 5 digits on the put side yet. On the calls, you have 4 out of 6 of them are 5 digits. So if the stop price goes higher, it could get parabolic. It could, and then everyone will be like, "Oh, I love Bionano now," and then when it goes down the next day, they'll be like, "I hate it." I'm very interested to see if Mythical Physics is going to flip bearish now that we've gone down since he started, falling in love with the company again. It's like, oh my gosh. Oh, and gap will fill somewhere in the $4 range. The shorts will use that gap as a target. Day traders aim for those. No, I disagree. No, there is no gap to be filled there, really. I mean, the only gap we have is this one right here, about 750, and we kind of already hit 750. So, I mean, what, you want to make the argument that this one right here is a gap? What about this one, right? What about this gap right here? We gap down here. Did we ever fill that one up, right? You can make the argument that we're going to gap up or down all the time, which I hate. Nothing against the people who use the gap to fill thing, right? I know a lot of you do. It's really simple, but I don't like it, right? And you guys have heard my spiel on this. Literally, the only reason why gaps exist is because the daily chart does not take into account the after hours or pre-market. And the only reason why 92% of gaps are filled, according to Google or whatever source it is because stocks fluctuate. They go up and down all the time. That's the only reason why they freaking get filled. It's not because the gaps are there, right? Gaps. Okay, all a gap is the lack of the pre-market and after-hours trading. So I don't like that stuff. So yeah. I don't like the gaps. I really don't. I mean, oh my gosh, Boomstick. Do you remember? Tell me if you remember this, Boomstick. I think it was on like May. It was early May, right before earnings. We were at like $5, $4 a share. Some guy said we have a gap to fill at like $3 or something, and I just freaking exploded. And I pretty much just exploded into dust. I basically just imploded. I mean, I just can't take shit like that on the more. When Bionano's going down, trust me, I get pissed off on green days. Imagine how pissed off I get. Imagine how pissed I was on May 13th. You can go and watch the stream, right? It's probably a fun time just watching, just screaming, just watch me rip my head off, and then watch the bears comments come in and act so arrogant, and they've gotten absolutely squeezed. The bears and shorts that bought puts and shorts at 430. They already jumped off a bridge, right? I mean, come on now. So that guy was so dumb. You remember that? I know. My OGs. Oh, my OGs are awesome. Oh, that was an awesome day. It was an awesome day. It was a horrible day, but it turned out to be an awesome day, right? All right, the purple that hate this are the long ones with no conviction on the company. I like it because I trade it and it's a pump. What, Marco? What? I think Marco is a bit messed up in the head. Most gaps do not get filled, but there are island gaps that never get filled. However, for the market averages, gaps always get filled. Yeah, well, if you just look up how many gaps get filled, it's like 92% of them or whatever. That's the first thing that comes up, right? So, I don't like them, though. Gaps suck. Gaps suck. I mean, what? Okay, they don't. It doesn't. You don't suck if you use them, but they're not for me, right? The VWAP, right? A lot of you guys use the VWAP. I don't. I don't use the VWAP. I don't use. Some people use the pivot points. Oh yeah, and some people use the MACD, right? That's the bit. A lot of people use the MACD, and MACD sucks. The stochastic indicator, I would take that over the MACD any day, but it's fine. It's still good. I would honestly, I would probably throw the MACD on here if I could. With Webull, you actually can't. But I certainly don't. I certainly don't think it's necessary. All right, bullish close. Is bullish close 812? Well, I would say, everyone has different. So many people in our community we all think different things about the bullish close, when it's going to hit what, when, where, how, whatever. I think for me, I'm saying 788. If we close above that, right? So 789 or higher, that's a bullish close. And the reason is that's the 21 SMA on the 4 hourly, which the price action really has not cared about, but which is weird. But it historically, it does. It just does. It's probably the second most important, well, second or third most important middle Bollinger Band, I would say. So definitely that's going to be nice to see if we can actually close above 788. I mean, I'm not really expecting a close higher than that, just because honestly, I try to be careful in my predictions, which, I mean, at the core level, y'all know where I think this is going, so I try to kind of calm down my long-term freaking Sapphire is better than everything else synthesis, right? Because, I mean, short-term, it doesn't really matter sometimes, but at the end of the day, I'm always going to be a little bit biased to the bull side, because at the end of the day, the more people that see the Sapphire, more people that understand the competition, more people that invest in the stock, I think. So I could be totally wrong though, but that's what I think. And sometimes that gets in the way of my that affects my prediction for end of days or end of week and end of year. Well, it should have at the end of year. But anyways, that's kind of irrelevant. All right. Thoughts on Mora run? I hope Bitcoin crashes. Oh, I hope Bitcoin. I know when I say Bitcoin crash, I'm talking like 20K. I'm talking like 15K. I want it to freaking crash. I know there's like an extremely low chance of that happening. Well, some people in our community hate Bitcoin, so it certainly could do that. But yeah, I'm hoping by the time I get done reading the original Bitcoin papers, I'm hoping that that it crashes like perfect time, and then I can just load. And I'm actually fine with loading on Mora and Bitcoin because, dude, it's in a way it's a hedge against the freaking Fed and the government spending in a way. So that's why opening sucks. People short into the gap up. Yeah, I doubt we will see under 30K on Bitcoin. Yeah, I do too. Yeah, like I said, I think this is extremely low chance, but I hope we do. I think we certainly can. There's so much FUD in the Bitcoin market when it goes down. It's like anything else, but even more so almost. Bitcoin, everyone hates Bitcoin when it goes down. Everyone loves it now that it's up. It's like, oh my god. Same thing with Bionano, right? I mean, last week, some people were calling me crazy, I think, for saying Bitcoin is not a horrible buy around the 30K, or I don't know what the hell I said. I said I'm bullish, and then people were like, no, it's going to zero, and now they're nowhere, which is fine. It's fine if you're bearish on Bitcoin, but it's just funny. It's just funny how the market cycles of the trolls go, You all know what I'm talking about better than any other community, right? I mean, that's what we get that's what we get here all the time, right? I mean, literally at the start of the day, did we have bears? God, I can't think today. Did we have bears in the pre-market today? I think we did. Did we or not? I know we did. After we started freaking running, we didn't, but I feel like we did have some bears earlier this morning for some reason. Better load Bitcoin now. She's going to slap 100K before Halloween. Whoa! No, they definitely like shorting stocks as well. I don't know how you got to the conclusion of that. If you're talking to me, I think we'll see $23 to $25 on Mora again. What is your load in zone? To be honest with you, this is a little bit crazy. All right, don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me here. Oh my gosh, we're at $30. Oh my gosh, stop going up, Mora. Oh, it hit 32 today. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's beauty right there. It's ugly and it's beauty, right? But my freaking buy, dude, I want this to go down to $20 almost. I want it to go below that even, but I know that's not very likely. I'll take low 20s. Low 20s isn't bad. If you understand Bitcoin, I would say. Are we gonna see that ever again? Who knows? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we never do. Well, I think we will, though, to be honest with you. But who knows? Who knows? This isn't a Mora video, though. No one cares about Mora. No one likes Bitcoin. How many bears of Bitcoin do we have? 2 or 3 bears? Yeah. Sinister Angel, I don't know what your deal is, my friend. Tell me what your deal is and I'll work with you. You seem like you don't like us. All right. Matthew RSI EMA candle edition volume. Closing at 8:14 today. Yeah, what is everybody's end of day prediction? I'm hoping 788. I don't know. I'm not gonna predict because I hate predicting. I hate it. Tesla is struggling. I hate giving end of day predictions without any just saying one for the hell of it, right? I don't know what's okay. There's not really much that you can predict. Okay, I mean honestly, wouldn't be surprised if we hit like 776, 775, unless we get to flip to on the SAR or the Supertrend, right? Because we're just getting killed right now. But yeah. Anyways, Tesla is struggling. Is a struggling stock, down 15% of the year. Yeah. Bitcoin crypto bull. Hell yeah, Laura. Hell yeah. $8, $7.70. Almost 2,000 decliners. Not looking good for above 8 close. It might move up to $8 after hours. 760. 760? Wow. 5? Oh, man. 8:30 after hours. I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised one bit. All right, here's the thing. Here's the thing, guys. This news is bigger than all of you realize. Not all of you. Many of you know exactly why this is big news, but this is big. All right, and this is something I haven't even talked about yet. Dude, they're expanding the bit. Why do you think they've hired so many big executives? Oh, they're just hiring. They're just hiring because they're firing and they need to replace. No. We've seen a continued trend of a ton of job listings going on in the last few weeks alone. You pair that with the fact that we've got 2 C-suite members being added, right? C-suite means that top-level executive, right? We got a chief business officer. We got Richard Shippey. And we got the chief commercial officer, which is Jason Pryor. So you look at those guys' track records. One thing that you can't even if you're a bear, you can't dispute this. One thing that we definitely know based on the two hirings that we got, the 2 big ones, is that the Sapphire and sales, the Sapphire sales are likely to go way up, or they already have gone up. That's why they need these people for the commercial and business aspect of the business, right? You got a chief commercial officer, you got a chief business officer. All right, sales, revenue, expansion of the business, scaling. This is kind of what we're talking about with these 2 positions, to my understanding, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong, right? I get shit wrong all the time. All right. But dude, I mean, and that's not even it. That's not even it. Okay, the first guy grew a business's revenue from 8 million to 200 million, and then this guy comes from CMA. Also, they put here he's going to be broadening the business into new markets. That's one of his prime. That's what he's going to be. He's going to be responsible for that, and strategic expansion of the product of Sapphire and technology portfolios. What do you think that means? All right, I'm telling you, it's FDA approval, more patents, nano nozzle, and innovations in the Sapphire. Those are the things that we're likely to see in the next few years, if not few months, man. I'm telling you. That's what gets me so excited, because no one else actually follows Bionano so as much as I do, or at least not many people do. So they don't really pick up on this crap. At least I don't think. That makes me sound like I think I'm above everyone else. No, I'm not. I just you wouldn't be thinking of this if you wouldn't have CMO, Chief Medical Officer Al Kachabi. She has had a ton of FDA approval experience as well. Now we're getting another one in that does as well, dude. We've got the cash to do FDA approval. We've got it now. What do you think is going to happen? I mean, I don't know. FDA, okay, we don't need it. We don't necessarily need it, but it would probably help. It would probably help a lot. What do you guys think of that? Technology portfolios is an additional devices. Technology portfolios, yeah, it could mean that, but it means, new innovations, additional devices. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Yes. BNGO should offer optical genome mapping for pets. People spend tons of money on their pets. I know, and we do. Well, not really, but kind of. Well, not really. But we do. Animal research is there is animal research. We do animal research and we do plant research as well. And those are markets that we don't even talk about on the channel. But dude, the applications of the Sapphire, literally, we've already got confirmation from the CEO. There's applications have not even been developed. That's a direct quote. Okay, what do you think that means? More innovations, more markets, more revenue opportunity for the sapphire, man. I mean, you can't. I mean, if the bears knew this, they wouldn't be bears. They don't do the research though. They just it's too hard. Okay, you have to do weeks of digging to actually understand what the sapphire even how it actually works a little bit. Not honestly, not really. But if you want to have knowledge of a lot of the company, you have to do research for weeks. Okay, or at least hours a day. That's for sure. I don't know. Maybe that's just me because I'm stupid, right? You can do it faster than me, maybe, right? You can sequence everything, any living thing that has DNA. Yeah, all you need is that non-corrupted molecular DNA. Yeah. As long as it's uncorrupted, as long as it's unruptured, as long as it's intact in DNA, you can use it. Pretty much. Blood samples, tissue samples, cancer biopsy protocols, which I don't even understand what that third one really means, to be honest with you. But dude, the samples are there, the markets are there, plants, tissue, plants, animals, humans, man, dude, they're all there. They're all there. Gene editing, gene mapping. Do y'all even know about the gene editing and gene mapping part of Bionano, man? Nope, probably not. I know I don't have the suit on, I know, but we got the lucky hat. We got the lucky hat on. It's better than nothing, right? It's better than nothing. When we hit $100 per scan, pets are on the table. Really? What makes you say that? Why? Well, I bet some people are using it right now. Then, right? The people that don't care. The people that really need it. Then, Jason Smith knows more than all of us. Jason Smith is a freaking legend. Always right, dude. That man's a freak. Jason. I wish you would freaking post on Reddit more, man. We need you. We need you out there on Wall Street Bets, bro. We need you. We need you, my friend. He doesn't care though. But those people that know everything like that, the freaking people that literally, this guy probably understands it better than me, but dude, they don't care. They don't care about the short term stuff. They only care about long term. They don't care if it goes down. They just buy it more. Or at least that's what a lot of them do. Okay, I shouldn't. Jason Smith is probably like shaking his head like, no, that's totally wrong. But yeah. Anyways, all right. Hell, I know a few farmers that would love OGM for crossing cattle. What? That's probably true. I don't know why it's so funny, but it just is. A few farmers. How are the farmers going to use optical genome mapping? They're going to look at the freaking translocations and be like, oh, yeah, okay, we need to do this. No. Oh, man. I'm sorry. That's too funny. We have too much fun on the stream sometimes. I get too pissed off, and then I get too happy. That's what happens, basically. BNGO is going to make money more from providing services. Not every lab will buy the sapphire. If they do, it's a bonus, but boy, oh boy, the revenue coming in from cartridges will be huge. Ashley Fisher, you're referring to the services part of Bionano's businesses, and they send us the samples, and then we send them the results, which I don't think that is a big part at all. I don't know the exact split, but I'm pretty sure labs using the sapphire is way bigger, because here's the thing. It makes more sense. It's way faster, right? Mailing in your samples, that takes forever. Imagine if you live in freaking Europe. You want to mail in your samples every time you do a test? No. All the high volume and mid volume labs are going to have a sapphire themselves, and it's going to be that 100 to 200K upfront cost, and then obviously 450 to 550 every genome, and then you've got the chips, you've got the pigments, you got all the consumable revenue that's coming in, reoccurring revenue business model. Let's go. Look at the growth in revenue from services and the decline from sales. Well, no, I know what you mean. No, I know what you mean, but just think about it. All the high volume labs, all the mid volume labs, they're not. I mean, it just doesn't make sense to use the services part. Plus, I know what you're talking about. You're talking about you're talking about rental. No. I don't. I think the reason for that, if you look at the growth in revenue from services and decline from sales, that's because the reagents rental program has done so well last quarter, and the sales were really bad, and the consumable revenue is really good, right? The flow cell revenue is way higher. That's consumables right there. That's chips. That's chip action right there, man. So yeah, I'm pretty sure reagents rental program, that upfront cost, if there is any, I'm not sure if there is, but the consumable revenue they get from that counts as services, I'm guessing, not sales. That's probably why. But no, I don't. I disagree. I kind of disagree. I think the service part is great, but if you're a high volume lab, which is the broad, that's what we're going to be making. That's who we're going to actually be making a lot of money from. They're going to be using. They're going to get a Sapphire, right? It's if they don't have a Sapphire, they have to mail in every single time they want to freaking. I don't think so. I don't think so. Well, I don't know if it's free though. Is it totally free? I'm pretty sure they're on some sort of rental program where it's like they have to pay. I don't know what it. I wish I knew the details. I wish there was a way to see this. Send me the link if there is. But how long they actually get it for free, and then when their trial expires or whatever, if it's something like that, or if they literally just rent it out, literally just you take it and you just have it. I doubt they're doing that. They could be though. I don't know. All right. Bro, come on. You're trying to advertise ENOB, bro. No problem with that, but you can't act like, the what do you call it? Literally synthetic shorting right now and there. Dude, no one mentions a peep about Bionano. No one gives a shit about the manipulation happening here, man. Yeah, consumables is what it is. It's way more lucrative. Lucrative for the customer, maybe, yeah. Yeah, I hope that's what you mean. It's not. I mean, unless they're doing super high volumes, it's more lucrative for. It's not more lucrative for Bionano unless they're doing super high volumes. Look at that, 15,000 shares almost bought to ask 779, and we go up 1 cent. And then watch the next sell. We'll get like 5 sellers coming in, and then we'll go up down like 3 cents. Literally, this is the buy side imbalance that we've been talking about. Look at that. Okay, finally, we only went up 1 more cent because we got like another 10,000 buying going in. Oh my gosh, so many people, have to buy shares. The quantity of shares that has to be bought at the ask to move the price up 1 cent is astronomical. It's insane. It's absolutely it's ludicrous. That's what it's egregious. All right. How does short interest look? Any changes? Oh, I have not even checked that. That's a good idea. Okay, so it's down. Okay, let's see here. Dude, bad form is so awesome. Thank you so much, bad form, if you're here. Okay, so dart pool's been that. Okay, TAR volume is 8.1 million. The view up price for the dart pool is 803. Renaissance Tech's average price is 808. Would love to see them double their position when the new filings come out this month. Yeah, that would be nice. Yeah, it looks like the short interest has decreased a little bit. There, like literally 0.2. Well, wait a second. That doesn't add up. Anyways, yeah, it's about almost 40 million shares. It's the exact same essentially. Okay, it's the exact same. Basically, come on. Can we be honest with each other? Come on, it's the exact same. Let's just say it's the exact same. Okay, come on. I mean, we're talking about 40 million shares here. Like a couple 100,000. Well, actually, no, not a. Well, how many was that in total? Let's see. About what, 500,000 maybe? Yeah, 500,000 shares out of 40 million. That's nothing. That's nothing. What's your reasoning on not using VWAP? I just don't. I think it's not. I don't think it's. I don't like it. I don't think it's worth using, to be honest with you. But I mean, maybe I'll give it another chance. A lot of people say it's. A lot of people think it's good and worth using. Yeah, I just never. I never. I did. I used to use it. I've used it before. Maybe should I try it? Y'all think the VWAP is worth using? All right, services, consumables, and data collected are going to be the big money makers from Bionano, not sales of the Sapphire. Oh well, if you're I guess consumables is considered services. Yeah. Yeah, consumables. I agree with you there. Consumables is it. Yeah, but when you said services, I was talking about the sending your samples in to mail to Bionano and then them giving you the data back like a month later after it ships across half the world. That's not going to be that big, right? I mean, I hope it is, right? But at the end of the day, sales and consumables, yes, those are the things. And sales, and I guess that's both, right? Sales and services, I guess, technically. But yeah, all the high-volume labs will be having to either get a Sapphire in either a sale or the rental program, which sucks, but whatever, okay, it's more exposure. We're getting $150,000 to $200,000 a year for each Sapphire on average, according to Eric, according to the company. Yeah. No, according to Eric. Yeah, according to Eric in a what was it? I think it was Q4 2020 earnings report. So yeah, I agree with you. I'm with you. Yeah, to be clear there, right? To be clear. All right, so to be clear for Ashley and all the other people, yeah. Yes, consumables is going to be huge, and yeah, consumables is almost more revenue than the Sapphire sales, according to the company, right? If you look, and if you don't believe me, I can just show you real quick. Let's see do I even have it in here? Please tell me I put it in here. I'm gonna have to go to a Reddit thread if I didn't put it in here. I didn't put it in here, did I? Damn it. Oh, here it is. Okay, yes, here it is. Okay, so yeah, so estimated revenues is higher than the annual recurring revenues. So you can essentially think, right, this is the chips, this is the services and consumables side of thing, and this is the actual sales. And they're obviously projecting more for the estimated revenues. So, yeah, and they are, and this is not, and the annual recurrent revenues, this is not counted in this because you can see 2.6 to 3.8 billion. That totals much higher than just, less than the 2 billion that this would be. So yeah. So yeah. But yeah, consumables is huge. That is, I don't know what the exact split is. I wish I did, but I think the consumables is a huge portion of our revenue. Huge portion. It's one of the, if it's not the first or second biggest, it's definitely the third largest. Why is BNGO falling today? Well, we're still up 3%. I'm happy. I'm not complaining. But if you are mad, I don't know if you are one of those people, but if you are mad that we are falling right now, you need to get out of here. This is not the stop for you. Team BNGO is forming a modified cup and handle between June 7th and today. June 7th. Ooh, probably not. Probably not. I mean, I see what you're trying to. I see what you're doing. I see how you're getting to that conclusion, but I think it's very. If it was gonna happen, like you say, it would be very modified, right? I mean, this going sideways for 3 days in a row, about half of the entire, or 1/3 of the total cup, without including the handle, as far as like length of time going sideways. If that makes any sense, I hope it does. But I don't think so. I don't think so. I mean, I guess there's a small chance of this being a cup and handle. I guess we would have to end the day we would have to do very well today or tomorrow, and this week we'd have to do very well. So I guess we'll know pretty quickly if it's going to be one or not. Look at the barcoding. It sucks. This is what sucks about today is this barcoding. Whatever. We got great news today. I can't complain. Why am I complaining? I say it every time. Don't complain. We got great news today. You can't complain. Even though we're not doing great today. I mean, we are doing great today. We're up 3% when the markets are barely doing anything. But great news. Great news means great price movements. And we're only up 3%, which is fine. But, you know. All right. It is projected to be more than sales by 2023, I think. It should be. Wait, how did you get that number? All right, whatever. It doesn't really matter, honestly. At the end of the day, it does matter, but it really doesn't matter that much. I don't know. I mean, it does, but we all know the sales are going to increase. The consumable usage is going to increase with every single Sapphire sale. The consumables is just going to freaking domino effect, man. Because the sales, once we already get 50% of the labs, once 50% of them have a Sapphire, we can't sell to them again. Really, I mean, I guess we technically could, but not really, right? The consumables, on the other hand, the more Sapphires that we have installed that are being used, the more the consumables is. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if that's right. Yeah, consumables definitely will retake sales. Will definitely be number one in revenue at some point. I would think. Let me look at the NASDAQ here. Wow, we're really I'm kind of surprised. Before I did, I'm really surprised. Oh my gosh, getting rejected perfectly at the 5-minute SAR. Who is selling? I want to smack the people who are selling on their faces, right? The only reason you should be selling is if you're worried about the freaking, if you're worried about the Fed, or if you have a special circumstance, man. Whatever. Okay, you guys decide for yourself. If you're gonna hold right now, that doesn't mean we're gonna go up tomorrow or today. If you're gonna hodl, you have to realize that we could see red before we see green, and please don't whine to me. Please don't blame me if we do bad. There's almost nothing I hate more. All right, UVXY. Oh my gosh, this is the problem. This is the problem today. The UVXY is up Almost 3% on the day, yet the Nasdaq is still green. That's incredible. That's incredible. That's an incredible feat by itself. But the SPY is down. Russell is down huge. Oh my gosh, who would have thought today Bionano would be up 3% with the Nasdaq, or not the Nasdaq, the Russell down almost over half of a percent. That's crazy, and that's good. 40 plus articles and stuff off the top of my head. Hard to dig it out. Tom Nash did some good coverage on the revenue. He seems to know his DCFs really well. Tom Nash. No disrespect. Yeah, it could be the day traders, right? The traders and swing traders, they do like to get rid of their positions right before the close to get rid of that overnight exposure, right? That's just happened. That's just what happens. That's just what happens. Yeah, they always do it. They always do it. So, Ashley Fisher, if you like, what do you call it? If you like DCS, did you see the Ragnaroses? Did you see that one? I bet you love that one. I'm assuming you did. It's freaking awesome. Yeah, I agree with you. Sure. That's cool. 781 right now. Do we have any news? I bet we don't. Dude, when's the last time we got a freaking filing on the institutional ownership? Man. The 4th? It's been 10 days. It's been 10 days since we got a 13F or an NP, man. That's crazy. That's insanity. I'm really surprised. I'm really shocked. Wow. Lots of day traders are using margins so they can sell to avoid paying percent. BNGO is a must buy. Long term it is. If you understand the tech, yes, it is. And if you have no, it's not. Not for everybody, but yeah, for most people that are on these kind of YouTube videos, yeah, it's an absolute buy. If you're already in the whole BNGO single stocks beating the market, right? Yeah, it's a good, yeah. Hopefully the price would jump up $1 to $2 before the sellers can get back in. You want a battle? Here's a war. Yep, that's actually a bullet for my Valentine heavy metal song. I'm sure no one knows them. I'm sure there's no metalheads here. Yeah. But anyways, a couple thousand shares being bought at the ask at 782. That just resulted in a 1 cent increase. Almost about to test the descending level of resistance right now. Close above 788. I'll be extremely happy if we close the day above 3% or 2% the green. I'll be very happy. Honestly, I'll be a little bit pissed off if we get a sour hour here at the last 28 minutes. But at the end of the day, we got great news. You got to be happy on a day like this. This is a good day. This is good. Like, screw what the markets are doing. We got great news today. There's no other way to say it. This is great news, and you're a madman if you think otherwise. I mean, look at this. We've already went. Do y'all want me to go over this again? I can if you want. But it's great news. It's great news. I would just take a green day. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, and for all the people last week who were like freaking, oh my gosh, we had euphoria and then we had panic. Well, kind of. I think what we had was annoyance last week. We didn't really have panic. We had annoyance, and now I think people are realizing, like, hey, this is not just like a black swan event that we had a good piece of news. No, like, this happens like every week or a couple times a month, right? As you guys know. And we're getting close to earnings, which literally I cannot wait for earnings. It's gonna be awesome. But that is earnings is it should be around August 8th to August 13th. So we got a little while. We definitely got a little while. But as we get closer, there's gonna be more people that are looking for that revenue projection. What the revenue is looking like. The more people that do the research and actually see that we got 8 sapphires, most likely. We got 3 sapphires sales. And then we got 5 more installations, which is probably at least 8. And the company is projecting basically 14.3 sapphires to be sold this quarter, and each quarter until for this year. Each quarter this year, they're projecting 14.3. Essentially, it's kind of complicated how I arrived on that. It's boring to explain, but basically, yeah, that's what it is. That's what they projected. And yeah, and we've already done the revenue projections, right? So, yeah. Okay. Oh, wow. You missed the news, Laura? All right. Sure. Okay. Yeah. All right. We'll go over the news today. Yeah. Okay. Right now we're at 784. Oh, gosh. I feel bad. Okay. Tell you what. I'll tell you what. I'll give it like 1 or 2 more minutes for the price action. See if we can break out above this descending level of resistance. And then after that, I'll go ahead and talk about that. Oh, we just did. You know what? Here, I'll just leave the price action up here, and I'll just talk about it. Okay, I'll do my best to recall it. So basically, we got a new chief business officer, a new CBO, right? His name is Richard Shippey. And we got Jason Pryor as the new chief commercial officer last week. This is the chief business officer. This is Richard Shippey. He previously worked at Illumina, Cradle, and Affy. I don't even know how to. Affymetrix, is that what it was? I don't know how to pronounce the name. But anyways, he worked at those 3 companies, and he worked with chromosomal microarray analysis, right? It's a CMA, otherwise known as, right? I'm sure you guys have heard me say CMA fission karyotyping, right? That's what I say take a shot every time I say that. He knows the competition, and he picks optical genome mapping, and he's going to work with us. And that's great to see that he obviously believes in optical genome mapping. And if you read the quotes, he likes that a lot. But what's more important is that, here, let me just go out here because it's boring now. Another false breakout. Here we go. Let me go right here. So basically, this is the news for today. And I have a video on this on the channel, by the way, if you want a full analysis. But basically, for us, he's going to be leading product strategy, broadening its business into new markets. That's a key, right? Non-invasive prenatal testing. Postnatal, maybe, and strategic expansion of its product and technology portfolios. So not only are we likely to get new devices, right, and new innovations, nanonozzle, maybe, FDA approved. The FDA approval is not new technology, but also he has FDA approval experience, right? He was one of the transformational leaders at Affymetrix, who brought and got the first FDA-cleared application of microarrays in cytogenetics. So it's absolutely, he's good with FDA approval. He's got the experience. He's got the knowledge. He knows the freaking CMA, our competition. And what else? Oh, yeah, and the technology portfolios, right? New patents, new rights, sequencing field option, exercising from 2016, that patent, maybe, if you know what I'm talking about there. Nanonozzle, FDA approved. Did I say all these things already? That's kind of why I'm so excited about the news today. That's why I think it's bigger than most people know. And there's some other good stuff in here as well, right? Especially with what he says with the company compared to Chroma's CMA. You can read that and you can watch that. You know what? Here, I'll go ahead and link that video. I'll go ahead and link that video in the I'll go ahead and link that in the pinned live chat right now. I'll go ahead and pin that right now because I don't know why, but no one has seen that, and that is the news for today. That is the news CBO. It's great news. Not only this guy has FDA approval experience, but also Al Kachabi, our chief medical officer. We got her a couple months ago. We have her as well. We're getting personnel not only to expand the business and expand the Sapphire and global Sapphire adoption, most likely, but that's a little bit but FDA approval people are getting on board, right? And we're getting more employees. We're expanding the business. That we are expanding the business. You can't construe it any other way. That's as simple as it is. Alka and Mark Aldakowski came from Affymetrix too. I didn't know that. That's awesome. 12th of August, approximately. Yeah, that's when the earnings is going to be. Technology and innovation is exponentially globally. So shouldn't we be looking at a 5-year term to be pessimistic? What? We've been talking about holding this out for 10 years EDC. Have we considered the technology being obsolete in like 5 years? Are we expecting that? No, there's no reason that we would think that the Sapphire, that there would be another Sapphire-like technology in 5 years. No, and here's why. The closest competition to replicating the Sapphire, and that's literally, they're not trying to replicate the Sapphire, but they're trying to replicate what it does, is NABSES, to my understanding, and they take 1 month right now to map 1 genome. Bionano can map 96 in a week, and that's I believe, okay, that could be wrong, but I believe, to my understanding. And then, and there's no one else, okay? And and here's the thing, if you want to make the argument like, hey, technology is freaking, there's a ton of new tech companies coming up, right? Fine, that's great. Here's the problem and here's the fallacy with people saying Bionano Sapphire is going to be done in a couple of years. All right, even if there is going to be some other great company come up and have a new technology, right? Here's the thing that you miss. Bionano is not done with innovation, right? We are having $450 per genome going down to $100. Okay, that's a pretty damn good innovation, wouldn't you say? Making the product making the manufacturing process of that product so cheap that you can actually lower the price for it. How about SNV detection? How about LOH detection? How about 14x throughput in the Sapphire? What else? Nanonozzle, sequencing capabilities, filling in the gaps what sequencing misses. Okay, these are the things that are on the way for Sapphire down the line. Easily, 5 years from now, we're going to have all of those things and more. Okay, no doubt. Is another company going to be able to not only match us in all those innovations, but also do all of the things that Bionano has been working on for like more than about 2 decades, almost 20 years, almost 18, 20 years. No, it's not. It's very unlikely that happens. What the hell did you do to the stop price today? All right. So do you have an idea when FDA approval? When is FDA approval going to happen? I would say. I mean, there's obviously no way to know. I wouldn't be surprised if it happened within this year or the next few years, though. They put the team together for it. They've got the cash for it, and they might not have the time for it right now, but they probably will get an opening at some point to probably work on that, I would say. Yeah, well, it's just barcoding. No, it's just barcoding. It didn't get rejected. I mean, I guess it technically did, but it's just barcoding, bro. Freaking barcoding, man. An articulate, updated nano-nozzle video could help out the stock, even if it only helps in a microscopic manner. More need to know about nano-nozzle. Yeah, I try to help. I try to get the word out on the must-know BNGO information playlist, right? Right, this one right here. Quick plug. I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry. Here, let me go ahead. Here, I'll make this one first. All right. Introduction to nano-nozzle and BNGO sequencing technology. This is a great freaking. This tells you mostly what you need to know, but most people just don't watch this crap. Okay, let's be honest. Can we be honest with each other? No one gives a no. If the video is like a week outdated, no one cares. But the thing is, the must-know BNGO information. This is the stuff that's like supposed to be timeless, right? This is the stuff that's supposed to be relevant even a month from now. So that's kind of why I have it here. I don't have videos like technical analysis for April 20th. Like, no. I don't 420 technical analysis. No. I only have the stuff that's going to be relevant for there. But yeah, maybe I should do one. And that link is in the description of every single video. Or, well, is it in the live stream? It should be. Hold on, let me make sure. Damn, it's not. I'm stupid. Well, it's in the videos. It's in the videos description, but yeah. Or you can find it on the channel, right? All right. Prediction tomorrow is 8:31. If the markets do what I think they will, above $8 for tomorrow. That's my prediction. If the markets do what I think they will. PatBio don't have FDA approval. Illumina doesn't have PatBio approval. FDA approval. PatBio FDA approval to my knowledge, to my understanding. $9:30 end of week. Woo, baby. 9:30? 9:30? The shorts will burn, man. The shorts are going to burn with that gamma squeeze happening. Yeah, maybe we should do an updated nano-nozzle video. Maybe we should. It's probably a good question. I mean, that's probably a good idea. April 20th, we finished with a daily candle similar to today. Inverted green hammer. Look what happened April 21st. Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah. We had an inverted hammer. Yes. Yes. Good enough. Marcus Morph, man, that's a good. Yeah, I totally agree with that. Yeah, we had a horrible inverted hammer here, which was completely bearish, and the next day we went up like what? I don't know. What is that? 10%? I don't know. And then yeah, today, we're getting the exact same thing. Right, this is an inverted hammer, and he's saying, hey, maybe this is time for us to boom, 10%. Maybe, who knows? Just, now I have to redo the descending resistance. Here we go. Let's do this again. Yeah, we already basically broke out. Yeah, basically we did. Yeah, well, hold on. Yeah, we did. Yeah. Well... It just depends on where you draw it. If you draw it really conservatively, right there, we're still good. Real quick, let's say for stock A to be bullish, it has to close at or above $10, but it closed at $9.89 and moved to like 10:05 a.m. Is that less bullish? Someone else answers. Oh, I guess I'll answer because there's no other. Can you look at Wolf? How did you come up with that number? JB was saying the same shit, that inflation is transitory. Yeah, every time. Inflation is transitory. We're going to begin thinking about doing tapering for once. All right, let me go ahead and answer your question. Stock A to be bullish has to close at or above $10, but it closed at $9.89 and moved to like 11:05 a.m. Do you mean pre-market? You mean, or after hours? Is that less bullish? It depends on why you wanted it to close above 10 in the first place. It depends on if it was time sensitive, if it was about a descending resistance that's going to change. But most likely, yeah, it's slightly more bearish, but not really. Should there, and if so, why is there more emphasis placed on the close price rather than the after hours or pre-market price? Because volume. A lot of people think that, and this is not necessarily true in a lot of cases, I don't think, but the consensus is that, hey, whatever the after hours does, whatever the pre-market does, not really held up until you actually get a close for that. And it's because there's not enough volume for it, right? If the stop price was up here in the pre-market, right, it stayed there or went higher because there's not enough sellers, because no one can sell in the after hours or pre-market, right? So that's pretty much the fundamental reason about that, to my understanding. But it's kind of over-exaggerated, I would say. Kind of in hyperbole, you know. Insurance companies will love BNGO. They will once we get the Z codes and all that crap, right? Let me see here. Z code. Is that what it's called? Hold on. No, hold on. What's it called? Billing codes. Yeah. Well, hold on. Yeah. Oh, I thought there was something about the insurance companies here. Well, we do have 3 laboratory-developed tests with billing codes. Or Z codes. Oh, there's a dash there. Oh, my gosh. Of course, the freaking dash gets me. Prototype next generation Sapphire high throughput ready. Yep. Hammer candle right now because of Mark. All right. Yes, I would say you believe whatever, Mark, you believe whatever you want, but I would say volume. I would say that's why. There's not, if you're at $10 in the pre-market, and then you're still climbing, and then the market open hits, and then then people can actually sell, right? A lot of people can't sell before market open. That's what I think it is. That's what I would say it is. But you make your own opinion, my friend. 783 right now, about 3% in the green. We got about, 14 minutes till the close. 14,000 shares sold at the bid at 782. There's no news. Why do I even bother with the news? There's no news. Why do I even bother? Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. 245. 56% is 8.5 million, which was 8.1 million earlier. Dude, there's so many shares being traded on the dart pool today. Look at this, though. Look at this. Down about 0.5%. If we look earlier, we were down about 1%. What does that tell you? There's more shorts taking up new positions. That's as simple as it gets. In the last, since 159 to 245? Why did we go down so much there? Probably because shorts. Yeah, you bet. You got it. You guessed it, man. Tomorrow will be a positive day. Watch tomorrow be a positive day. It happens that we have a high percent day and end off at a low percent. Tomorrow we will be right back up to 8. We'd love to have Brandon to create his own BNGO background banner. I know. Oh, I know. I want to do it. Someone told me earlier. Someone sent me on Twitter. What do you call it? Ivan? Is you the one that did that? I don't know. I forget. I'm sorry. I'm bad with names. But yeah, somebody told me get a green screen. I'm gonna do that one of these days. I want to do. I can do a virtual one, but it'll probably look like crap. What is a dart pool? So a dart pool is a private exchange, and they're named for their lack of transparency. And also, I would say, right, this isn't in the books, but market manipulation, the proclivity for market manipulation goes exponentially higher on the dart pool exchanges. And this is because no one freaking regulates them. Or at least there's a lot less. There's not as much, they're not available for everyone to see, right? If someone was about to manipulate the price and sell, I don't know, sell like... like in a stock that has like 500,000 shares outstanding, sell like 1 billion shares, and that's a total hyperbole and exaggeration. But they can get away with market manipulation way easier on the dart pools because it's not as public, it's more hidden, and it's a private exchange, right? No one really knows what goes on there, so that's why. Looks like the whales are coming out to play with us today already. That's early. Usually they only start coming out to play like with 10 minutes left. Right now it's 15. Well, actually, I guess it is 10 minutes left right now. But Yeah, let's say the bulls, not as much as usual. I guess they haven't really come out full yet. But yeah, we've got several walls. Walls everywhere. Based on this, if these were actually real, we would close right now where we are today, most likely. Unless something crazy happens, which certainly could happen. Tomorrow, it's a down day, I'm afraid. Last week started the same. What? Why does that mean it's going to be a down day tomorrow, though, my friend? Why do you think that? All right. The SEC has been ineffective for the past 20 years. Oh, shocker. The government has been inefficient? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Make your own opinion on the government's efficiency, my friends. The SEC is a doc puppet. BNGO boys are going to shake and move soon. Mark my words. Well, rip the Bears. Rip the Bears yesterday. Not yesterday. Well, yesterday, yeah, I guess. But also rip everything money. Rip all, I mean, short term, of course. Also rip everybody in the pre-market that was giving us shit. And last week, obviously. They're just twiddling their thumbs and collecting their paychecks. Yeah. I agree. I agree, my friend. I agree. Make your own opinions. Make your own opinions. Last week, Monday was up. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, we were downgrading slowly. Oh, come on. No. I mean, that's true. I do believe that's true. Wasn't Tuesday? We were like barely down Tuesday, right? Percentage-wise. But anyways, I don't think so, my friend. Here's why I don't think it's necessarily very likely for us to go down tomorrow, just given the pattern of last week. Well, it's because that's just one data point, right? I mean, if you gave that example for the week prior to that, you would have been way wrong this week or last week, right? So it's just that's one factor. That's a good point I like that you pointed that out, Christian. But I don't think that's I don't really think it's definitely not guaranteed to happen. That's for sure. That's damn sure. There's one thing about the markets that's never guaranteed to happen. My favorite Fallout is going to be Fallout 4. I never played 3. I played Fallout 4 an insane amount, and then I played, but interesting enough, I actually never technically beat the game because I'm an idiot, and I think I actually got glitched on one of the main things, but I basically did. Okay, I did pretty much everything you could. And then Fallout 76, I played that a little bit. Didn't really get too far though. It's not that good. It wasn't that good. I didn't play 3. No, I didn't. I didn't play 3. Is it good? Should I? I don't. There's no time to play games now. I'll tell you what. One of these days, once the channel does well, if that ever freaking happens, I'll tell you what. I'll play that again for you, my friend. I'll do it again. I am in college, my friends. I'm in college. How does a negative short interest from Discord mean new short positions? All right, that's a great question. Let me give you that answer. Okay, so basically, the short interest was 1.14% before, right? That was the update from Badform on 159. Thank you so much for Badform for giving us the updates, right? And then today at 245, the short interest decreased, going closer to positive, right? So the closer you go to freaking getting more to close to zero when you're negative, that means more shorts, right? Also, if you just look at the estimated short interest right here, 36.47 million right here. Or, yeah, no, sorry. 39.47 million. Sorry, my brain doesn't work sometimes. 39.47 million shares estimated short interest. 39.69. Okay, so 39.47, 39.69. So basically that's what? 220,000 more short shares. Yeah, 220,000 if my math is right. My math could be totally wrong. Please take this with a grain of salt. But 220,000 more shorts have taken up new positions. Share-wise. Based on Ortex data, which can be wrong sometimes, right? It can be wrong, but it's the best we're dealing with. Buy-side imbalance on the closing as well. Buy-side imbalance is there again every time. Let me leave it up there. Get time and sales up. Dojis. We've got dojis. We've got no volume. We've got nothing. When we hit 10, message me your address so I can send you a case of ramen. The throw-up is New Vegas VS3. I personally like 3, but some people like New Vegas more. I think New Vegas is probably the critically better game, but Fallout 3 really broke some bosses. Yeah. 7 years in the gaming world is like 50 years in the real world, right? Well, not really, but you get what I'm trying to say, I think. Oh, man. All right, S&P. Everyone's saying S&P. Whoa! Ooh, what is this? What is this? What just happened? I don't know what just happened. Look at that. That's beauty right there. That's a hammer candle, and you're still, look at that volume coming in. Dude, look at the volume. It's higher than the opening candle, and you're not even on the last 5-minute candle yet. Woo, baby. Looks like people are betting on tomorrow being very good. Bionano just goes sideways while that is that. Let's just leave it on S&P. Holy crap. Man. Profit taking coming in now? Wow. GTA 4. 200 years old. Yeah, that's crazy though. Look at that. This thing was red about what? This thing was almost at lows it was almost 0.5% in the red, ending the day green probably. Well, we'll see. We'll see. It could end the day red easily, but Robbie and Mythical right now. My spy puts printing. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This thing's got insane volume right now, man. Look at this. We're on the last 5-minute candle. I'm just going to... BNGO is right here if you want to see it, but we got to watch this. Holy. Is the NASDAQ not following suit? It is, I think. Yes, it is, but the SPY is going crazy. Dude, it's still going. Is there news? Is there news that I'm missing out on right now? There's not any economic calendar events that are crazy right now. Damn, and you still have a little bit of room to run. Technically, you should be cooling down more likely, but, you know, technically you still have more room to run. Man, dude, this tells you. What does this tell you? Power hour people are bullish for tomorrow. What does this tell you? Okay, the traders, at least the ones that are determining the stop prices right now, they think tomorrow is going to be good. Otherwise, they wouldn't be buying before the close. Wow. That's crazy. That's something we don't see very often, is it? Bionano is still barcoding. Selling. Selling is coming in. That's scary. Every time you get that sea of red, it's always scary. Amazon going crazy. Damn. Is Biden rambling right now? No, he's not. Is he? I don't know. I don't know. About to hit all-time high. Is it? Yeah, okay. It actually already did. It already did. Well, wait a second. Hold on. Let me make sure. Yeah, well, oh, it's getting rejected. Oh, no, it's getting rejected right at all-time highs. No, it's getting rejected right at all-time highs. Literally exactly. Oh, it got rejected exactly at all-time highs. No. No, we do not want a triple top. Short term, that's a triple top. That's a bearish chart pattern. We do not want that. Let's get a close above that. We got 4 minutes before. 4 minutes before the close. Bionano is starting to move a little bit. Barely, okay, if you can consider that a move. If you can call it a move, it's just barcoding. Oh, man. Fangs moving. Yeah, Facebook, Apple, Amazon. What's in? Oh, I'm stupid. I got filled at 775, so we'll wait for another 50 cent up and then 50 cent down. What? This is a rare close. Something caused it. Is that what? Wait. Yeah, I feel like something must have caused this. Something must have caused this. Oh, my gosh, it's about to test the all-time high. Oh, can we get it? Can the SPY close above? That'd be great. That'd be great if it could. It'd be very great if it could. If the markets can chill in all-time highs and start making higher highs and higher lows roughly, dude. You know where Bionano is going if that's the case. There it is. It just made new all-time highs. 424.87. That's new all-time highs to my knowledge, right? If you look in the pre-market here. Yeah, that's it. That's it. New all-time highs. That's what it is. 88 now. 2.5 minutes till the close. Oh my gosh. It's still going. It's still going. Look at the voice. This must have been because of something they said. Is Biden speaking right now? Is he? Oh my, what is going on? This is when, dude, you know it's bad. Okay, Bionano starting to move. Okay, I have to go back to Bionano starting to move right now, it looks like. Maybe. But dude, screw Bionano. The SPY is in all-time highs right now. We gotta watch this. You know it's bad though when the SPY is more freaking interesting than Bionano. But we will go to Bionano for the close to see if there's buys or sells at the end at the close. We'll see if there is. By the way, what is everybody's predictions? Big buys or big sells at the close? Right? What are y'all thinking? 783 right now. We're up about 3%, 8% would be nice. Oh no. No, we need to close above. We need to close above this. No. Yes, there you go. We need to close above this. Yes. Yes. We got 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Big buys. The SPY, oh man, look at the volume of this. Dude. People are betting on tomorrow being a good freaking day. Dude, if the Fed says exactly what we want them to, it could be all-time high time for the markets for high growth for NASDAQ soon. We've got a ton of calls expiring this week, yes. A ton of the calls are expiring. Well, okay, on this one for Bionano, it's the 18th. Okay, here we go. We got 30 seconds. Let's go. Oh my gosh, the SPY is going insane. The SPY is going crazy right now. It's a point. Oh my gosh, oh man. But let's go to Bionano here. Let's see what Bionano is literally just barcoding, dude. Oh my gosh, of course. 10 seconds till the close. Here we go. A lot of people predicting big buys. Here we go. Let's see what it is. I'm gonna guess buys. I'm probably jinxing us, but I don't care. That's what I'm gonna predict. I could be wrong. Here we go. Here it is right now. Right now. There it is. Buys. Buys. We got big buys. Not that many, though. Let's see here. Okay, so hold on. I can't even see this. My eyes don't even. Okay. 6,000. Okay, 10,000, 20,000, 40, 20, 40, 60,000. About 70,000. This is rough math, by the way. If you haven't realized that yet. 70,000, 80,000-ish. 90. Okay, about 100,000 there. Yeah. Okay, so I'd say about a little bit over 100,000 shares bought at 782. Yet right in after hours we go down to 781. It's like, how? Anyways, after hours is weird sometimes, I know, but yeah, there we go. We got buys at the close, everybody. Buys at the close. About over 100,000 shares, probably more like 110, 120,000 shares bought at the close. Close the day. What was our close at for buy? Let's see what the close was. 782, about 3%, 3.17% was a close. And the SPY, let's check the SPY. Oh my gosh, that's beauty. That's beauty right there. Look, oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. I didn't even know it went up that much. Look at this. It was right below this, right after, it was right above this barely right after we got out. It closed way above all-time highs. The NASDAQ, let's see what the NASDAQ closed at. The NASDAQ is getting close to NASDAQ is about to test all-time highs. Oh my gosh, this could get insane. This could be awesome for the markets, or this could be a triple top. Could be a triple top. Okay, I want to give you both sides, but yeah, the Dow doing awful. Okay, who cares about the Dow, though? It's all about the NASDAQ and the Russell. Come on now. SPY is like, SPY is okay, but yeah, who cares about the SPY? Well, NASDAQ is more important, but SPY, hey, whatever. It's all-time highs, right? It's cool. It's a cool thing. Right now, SPY is a cool thing, right? Yeah, rip the SPY puts, man, though. Man. Yeah, so what the heck is up with Nano Dimension? What the heck is up with this? 1% after hours already? What is this? That's a good sign, though. Last time Bionano went on an after-hours run, it was with Nano Dimension was doing well, too. So look at that volume. Yeah, the volume came in at the close. But yeah, talking about the volume at the end of the day for Bionano, 17 million, 15 million. We beat Microvision and Nano Dimension. This is BNGO right here, the yellow. This is Microvision, and this is Nano Dimension. We beat them both, but obviously we absolutely got killed. We absolutely got annihilated by our 3-month average volume, which is why it was such a slow day and so much barcoding, roughly, right? Even with the news today, which is sad. It is really sad. Okay, there we go. We just got the huge move up. 0.77% after hours. Now let's get that 1-minute chart up. Oh my God. 788, exactly where the Bollinger Band is. Let's see if it's still there. I bet it is. Hold on. Oh, 785. Okay, good. 785. Yes, okay, let me move this down. Yes, 785. We closed below 785. But barely. 785. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so yeah, 785. Hopefully we open up the day and close the day tomorrow above 785. Yeah, man. All right, so there we go. So to wrap up today, right? To wrap up the day before everybody leaves. I'm going to read the comments here in a second. I'm reading the comments here in 1 second, guys. To wrap up the day. From the technical standpoint, you just got it. But basically, news-wise, right? What is this crap that we have? Well, I have a video on this on the channel that you can look at. But to sum it up for you here, because you want it live. Basically, the new chief business officer, he is going to be doing the new markets and strategic expansion of its product and technology portfolio. So basically, new devices, new innovations, FDA approval maybe, right? He's got FDA approval experience. More sales, more demand, more scaling up of the business and expansion of the business. This guy is going to help with that, right? If you pair this guy with the chief commercial officer that we got last week, you can just tell it doesn't take a genius to figure out, hey, we are making expanding moves for our business. The business expansion is obvious at this point. And with that being said, I'm going to take questions because I already did that whole. I've already given the spiel like about 5 times in this. So I'm gonna go ahead and link this in the live chat right now. And with that, we're gonna take questions, unless there's something else I'm forgetting to talk about, and unless we start running in after hours, which certainly could happen. Would not be surprised. But unless we got, yeah, we're gonna end the stream pretty soon here though. Last minute questions. What are the questions for the end of the day? We close in the green. Can't complain. Yeah, I know. If you take a look at Wolf, I guess I will. So many questions for it. I guess I will. Which one is it? I'm guessing it's this. Is it VCA? Which one is it? They have the same. They have the exact same ticker. Is it VCA or Petco Health? What is the time frame for the 5 clinical trials announced during quarter 1 call? That's a great question. So that's an amazing question. I mean, you all have so many good questions. So the prenatal one is going to be this year, and the postnatal one, I believe, is also going to be this year, as well. Yeah, and then the rest are going to be sorry, I'm trying to focus on the Wolf thing now. Hold on, let me get it. Hold on. Damn it. 1 second, I got to add this to the high growth watch list of the memes. Here we go. Okay, now. Okay, so it was up. Oh, wow, it was up 17% on the day. Okay, but to answer your prenatal, your clinical trial thing, and then the rest of them are not really to be known. They're not really to be known yet, but they are 1,000 patients each, or at least they should be. That's what they said. And they're going to be large marketing events that are likely to increase the academic praise for Bionano. So they're great. That's what I'm basically trying to say. So if we look at Wolf here, do we have any other great questions? Because I want to look at this at the last. I emailed investor relations. If they don't reply by Friday, I will call them and ask my questions. What are your questions? Tomorrow greater than 817. I hope so. Petco looking good. All right, I guess we'll just look at Petco. Is this a Wall Street Bets thing? Oh, look at that. Look at that. You're very overextended on the daily. You just are. Okay, sorry. We look at the weekly Bollinger Bands. That's nice. If we look at let me look at the daily. This thing just IPO'd what? What did this IPO? January 14th. Interesting. All right, if we look at the moving averages, there's not much information here. There's nothing to say. RSI is pretty. Look, what the? Okay. That's just what happens with IPOs. But anyways, yeah, very overbought on the RSI. Not horrible though. Yeah, I would have to know about the. Oh my gosh, it's running. It's running after hours. It's running. Don't bother. It's a PR firm, not Bionano. Got a freaking hair in my mouth. Yeah, I got it out. All right. Ticker any. If there's any. Oh, another short interest play. 19 million. Days to cover is going down though. Oh no, it's still really high. Holy crap! The days to cover was 16. What the? Look at the days. This is absurd. The days to cover is 16 on this thing, or it was. Now it's only 5. Man, what's the shares outstanding on this thing? 19 million shares shorted right now. Does it have the shares outstanding in here? Anyways, I have 2 emails for Eric. I'll reach out next. You have 2 emails for Eric? Give me them. Give me them now. No, I'm kidding. 788 for Bionano. Bionano's not moving. Bionano's not moving. Hold on, let me go over here. Okay, now right when I say that, I jinxed us again. Here we go. Let's go over here. How do you think the NASDAQ 100 will evolve during the week? Cheers, bro. Well, I'll tell you what, guys. I'm just gonna tell you. Please be careful. Please be careful. This week could be absolutely awful. But I'll tell you this: the SPY closed above all time. I mean, it closed well above all-time highs, right? Very well above all-time highs. Let me just draw up a level here for you. Roughly about right there. It closed it closed very well, to say the least. And that's a great sign for the NASDAQ and all the other indexes, because technically the SPY is the best indicator for everything, right? Technically, right? For me, me and you, our community, we care about the NASDAQ and Russell 2000 more for obvious reasons, but it's still great to see. The SPY, okay, don't act like the SPY doesn't have an effect on Bionano. It still has some effect, right? It has a big effect on the NASDAQ, and the NASDAQ has a big effect on Bionano. So I love to see that. And my prediction for the NASDAQ end of week or whatever, I'd say we're about to test all-time highs. I mean, we are. Okay, if we go up tomorrow, we are. Are we going to break them? If we do, I might be adding shares to Bionano, to be honest with you. Here's the thing. I've been saying for a while, if the broader markets break above all-time highs, especially the NASDAQ and the Russell, and continually make higher highs and higher lows for a very small amount of time and confirm the breakout, dude, I mean, that's like literally the last time we were at, the last time the NASDAQ was at this level, not this, this right here, February 16th, Bionano was at $15, and fundamentally we're only better, right? So the higher the NASDAQ goes, the more likely Bionano is to follow suit at some point. And we've got about 100% gain and upside left until we hit our all-time highs, which was when the NASDAQ was at all-time highs. So you put those things together, maybe you have some sort of a case to say, Bionano will follow suit at least to some degree if the NASDAQ continues to do well. So I don't know. All right, what else? What other questions do we have? And we're out of here. What other questions do we have? We're out of here. All right. I'm buying 4 to 8K regardless tomorrow. Sold 8K today of my VU, ready to load it into BNGO. Well, if you have that much money, to just trade with, yeah, hell yeah, I bet you're gonna buy that much regardless. Hell yeah, man, hell yeah. You need to know the market headwinds though. Bionano could see, if the market does the bear case, we could see $5 to $6 again. Unlikely. If we do see that, obviously I'm gonna be loading thousands more shares. But BNGO calls for Friday. If you're talking about like predictions, I think you're talking about literal calls, so I'll just talk about that because it's important anyways. The call options expire this Friday, so it's gonna get insane this week. It's gonna be a fun week most likely for Bionano, or it could be death and carnage, right? I don't know, but gamma squeeze potential. NASDAQ goes up, markets go up. Fed, JP, they do a good job this week. You know what's gonna happen. $8, $9. Wall Street Bets stop censoring us. $10 and all-time highs. Mark my words. I'm not trying to get y'all too. I'm not trying to hype it up. I'm just telling you there's a chance for that stuff. Okay, do your own research though. Do your own damn research, my friends. Already got 45K in BNGO. I've been bullish. Oh my gosh, 45K shares? Okay, no, $45,000. I think you mean. I was about to say 45,000 shares. I'm about to say that's the biggest amount I've seen. I think. At least that Not that I've seen, that of people that I've talked to on the internet, right? I originally run at 50 cents, but I never bought in until 5. My friend got in at that 5-cent mark though, 50-cent mark though. Jealous, yeah. You never bought in until $5. Well, that's not bad. Yeah, I wish it was shares too. I wish I had that many shares, man. I wish I had 45,000 shares, man. Dude, y'all make my portfolio look like a freaking joke, man. I feel good about having this many shares, man. Y'all make me feel like a freaking ant. We've got so many whales in our community. COVID is over and oxygen isn't mRNA technology, it's just vaccine. What I have to do to have my average cost at 5? What I would do, a little never sell, dude. Oh, that'd be nice. Have an average cost of 50 cents. Oh man. Oh come on, dude. That's when you're selling the house. You're selling the house, going all in for good reason too, right? Man, if you see Bionano again at that level, I mean that's never gonna happen. But man. All right, last minute questions, and let's get out of here. All right. Mark at Yahoo Forum has 1 million shares. 1 million? Okay, here's the thing. Not just yet, but if Palantir, BNGO, MP, and others start taking off. Oh, you're an MP guy as well. MP, I like MP is interesting. MP is I'm not really with the whole Palantir craze, to be honest with you, but MP, hell yeah, man. And BNGO, of course, heck yeah. Hell yeah. I wouldn't short a meme stock no matter how overvalued. Yeah, honestly, that's not a bad idea. You're shorting Workhorse. All right, James. Thank you so much, my friend. We're leaving here in a second. Feel free to click off now. We're just taking last minute questions and then we're getting out of here, right? We're literally leaving into the stream probably 10 minutes or less, probably if not before that. Yes, I do. If you're talking to me, yes, I do accept direct messages on Twitter, my friend. That's what the best thing about this community is, right? Not only do I get to respond to everybody's questions, pretty much, but if you join the Discord, I'll respond to you. I'll talk to you. Okay, if you want to call me, I'll come. If you know what you're talking about, If you have like Brennan, Messenger of Moistville, I talked to him on the phone for like an hour one night talking about BNGO. Seriously. And that's only going to happen I'm not going to be able to do that forever if the channel does well, which probably won't, because y'all will probably be able to talk to me forever because the channel won't do well. But you get what I mean, right? You get what I mean. And also talking about the channel, right? Just real quick plug. This is important though. The better the channel does, not only do all of my profits essentially, like literally 90%, if not 99% of all the money I make from YouTube going straight into BNGO shares. Literally, there's no doubt, okay? Literally, it's going straight into BNGO shares. But also, it's mutually beneficial if the channel does well because more people see how bullish I am on Bionano, man. So I'm telling you, if you hold BNGO shares, it's a mutually beneficial if the channel does well, right? That's just do with that information what you will. But it is so, I don't think a lot of, whatever. It's in my best interest. I'm biased. Yes, yada, yada. Okay, whatever. The more people that see this channel, the better it is for Bionano. So I think everyone should take that into consideration if you want. Whatever. You guys, whatever. He needs to shave first. Nope. I can't shave. I will not shave until $10. And I will not get a haircut until $15. Nope. I literally will have hair going down literally to my freaking halfway down my back if Bionano does horrible. I'm serious. I am going down with the ship. I am serious when I say I am not shaving my beard. My attempted beard, right? Just whiskers, just the attempted beard, right? I will not shave that attempted beard until $10, and then the haircut, obviously, we're not getting a haircut until all-time highs. I'm serious. This is a horrible idea, but we're doing it. I don't care. What do you think is the next big stock that we should all be focused on after this AMC run? BNGO. I'm being honest with you, okay? I'm actually not trying to be funny. That I seriously think BNGO. I have a decent 59-cent average, but I own shares on another platform at 5.15 average. How many shares? Oh, Soup, the legend Soup. The legend himself. He's got some awesome. He's made so much money. I've seen his portfolio, I think, on the DD he did, if I remember right. That would take me 3 months to grow. No, well, 3 months. I don't know how long it would take me to grow it down to halfway down the bat. It's already pretty long, right? But I don't know. But yeah, I'm not getting a haircut to all-time highs. That's as simple as it gets, man. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Mythical's holding prospective subscribers hostage. Prospective. Almost 20K shares combined. Dude, you're just bragging at this point. No, I'm kidding. I asked you, man. That's awesome. Also, can we get a I don't know, can we get a RIP Wi-Fi puts in the chat? Because the Wi-Fi has been, there's been a couple, like right there, there's been a couple like 1 second pauses, but the Ethernet cable is in and it's working perfectly. It's beauty. And that's awesome. And that was thankful, and that was because of you guys. That I got the Ethernet cable, so the Wi-Fi stopped screwing up, right? So thank y'all so much. How much for eyebrows? Oh, I'll tell you what. If Bionano hits all-time highs this month or next month, I'll shave my eyebrows. I'm serious. I'm crazy enough to do that, and I'm serious when I say that. Oh man, you guys don't understand how stupid I am. You don't understand. Bad ideas, stuttering, technical difficulties, audio difficulties. You get all of those with the channel and more, and you just get a ton. You get all of those things with the channel. Yep. Price. Yeah, we're up almost. We are up about 1% after hours. What have I done, Anakin? What have I done? What was that? I don't know. Anyways. Do we have any Star Wars fans? Do y'all get any of my stupid references from Star Wars or Lord of the Rings? No? Probably not. Makes sense if you didn't. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Last minute questions, and then we're out. Internet was top-notch today. Well done. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate that. Thank you. I do. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. All right, we're not going to be able to end the stream. Holy crap. All right, we're pushing. We're pushing. Should we end the stream or not? We're up like. I'll tell you what. If we keep pushing, we'll keep the stream up. But if it's going sideways, oh my gosh, it's still going. Dude, what is going on? We're about to test $8 in the after hours. Every time, right? We're about to end the stream. I can't leave. This happened before. This happened one time before, man. Thoughts on CTXR is doing great. Oh, I haven't checked CTXR in a while, man. Oh my gosh, that's beauty. That's beauty. Hold on, let me move it up here a little bit. There we go. Let me get back on BNGO. There we go. Dude, it's gapping up in the after hours. The price action doesn't want the stream to end. Oh man, you're gonna show up at the party looking like a Q-tip. I know. Oh man, tomorrow up to 12:25, please, dude. That'd be nice. Yes, please. 12:25 for BNGO. No leaving. All day stream number 2. Oh man, CTRM is too much debt. I had to drop for work earlier. What happened to drop it below 8? Well, there's not really a reason. It's just slow profit taking, I guess. I guess that's how you would describe it. It's going down once you leave. Oh, come on. 24/7 stream. Oh, my gosh. Guys, come on. Where do you look at the view? We have so many more viewers. Well, not really. We have no viewers. Today, for some reason, today we have no viewers. Does anyone know why that is? I guess no. I guess the YouTube algorithm is the only one. But basically, yeah, we just went up. We're up at 1.5%. We were about to end the stream. Now we're running. So I decided, I guess, oh, my gosh, we're still going. We're still going. 7.95. We just made a new after hours high. Dude, it doesn't want me to leave. Like, I'm trying to get out of here and go eat and go do some other stuff. I can't leave, though. I'm not leaving. We're not leaving. Every time the price dips, just threaten to end the stream. Okay, done. It's not. I don't know. If only this technique and thing phenomenon worked forever, it would be so good. Just threaten to end the stream and it just goes up. But then I can never end. Wait, what would the consequence be? Right, the price would be when we end the stream. Then it would freaking dump. So I would just have to keep it on always. YouTube is a cruel beast. Well, when BNGO is profitable, we all got to meet at a convention center and celebrate. Dude, I want to do that before we're profitable. I want to do it when we're freaking all-time highs are $30 or $20. Hell yeah, I want to do that. Almost to, oh, what the? We just went up another. Oh, what is this? What? This is too funny. This is, not only is it awesome that we're running right now, but we're doing it at the most inopportune time. Okay, there we go. We finally dumped it. We just made new after hours highs. Now we're back at a 797. Oh my. What is going on? Let me look at the volume here. Let me look at this. Look at that volume coming in. I mean, it's nothing obviously, but you know, it's still damn. Meet and greet. Yes, let's do that. I'm gonna leave. All right, listen up, price action. I'm gonna leave if you don't go to freaking $20 right now. Oh man, yo, ban that nerd. What are you talking about? Oh, Robbie Smith is back. What? Wait, what? Robbie Smith is back. Robbie Smith is back. You got to be kidding me. Is this a joke? Is this the same Robbie Smith as before? BNGO stock has seen too much action without fundamental justification. It makes a better speculative bet than an investment. You will all touch 210 by July 20th. We just made a new after hours high, 798. We're the best time ever. Bro. What? What? All right, hold on. I'm going to copy it. Hold on. I'm copy and pasting that into a freaking... Hold on. I'm going to get back. All right, hold on. I'm going to stay on the price action right now. Okay, here we go. We're dipping now. Okay, perfect time. I'm going to tweet this out. Okay. Robbie Smith. Oh man. All right, there we go. Oh, Robbie Smith is back. That's too funny. That is the funniest thing I've ever seen. What? Robbie is back? You gotta be kidding me. Robbie, you owe me 1K. Where's my 1,000, bro? Where's my $1,000? You said you were paying me $1,000 if Bionano was not freaking $3 or $5 or whatever it was by May 21st, bro. What is that? Pin this. Oh my gosh. This is too funny. What? This has to be a joke. Robbie has to be joking right now. Robbie is silent. Everybody that's just getting it, Robbie Smith, the one and only, is back. He's made it appear. The villain is back. He said, what did he say? He said, BNGO, let me go right here. BNGO stock has seen too much action without fundamental justification. It makes a better speculative bet than an investment. You will touch 810 by July 20th? 210? Are you kidding me? 210? The Bears never learn, man. $2.10. Are you wait, what? Wi-Fi puts printing hard. Wait, what are you talking about? The Wi-Fi is good. Wait, what are you talking about? You're stressing me out now. Dude. What is this? What is this? $2.10? Bro, we're gonna that would mean we would have to lose like 80% of our or 70-80% of our value from now. Do you understand that? You have like 6 days. You're just a memer at this point. It's just a memer. That's funny though. That's really funny. We have too good of a time. Gosh dang it, Robbie Smith. Why did he pick at this time? 210. He must make a lot of money with his price predictions. Hey Robbie, how much money are you gonna not give me this time? Right? Because last time you said you're gonna give me $1,000 if you were wrong. How much money are you gonna not give me this time? Oh, I'd mortgage the house and sell my wife. Yeah, amen to that. Robbie, can I make a bet with you? No. Robbie, can we put it in writing? Well, we already have it in writing. Robbie, can we make a contract deal that you will actually pay up your $1,000 and I'll tell you what, I will pay you $1,000 if Bionano hits 210 in the next freaking for the 20th. I'll give you $1,000 if you make the deal for give me $1,000 and we get that in a contract. Dude, reach out to me, send me an email and let's get that done. I'm serious. He's not gonna do it because he's joking, which is awesome. I love that he's been. Robbie Smith, have you been with the channel this entire time? That's awesome if you are. If you have been, that's awesome. He's tapping from beyond the grave. Oh, an Ethereum smart contract? What the heck? Wait, what does that even mean? Let me Google that real quick. Ethereum smart contract. I don't even know what that means. What does that mean? Simply a program that runs it on Ethereum, on the Ethereum blockchain, dude. Brandon versus Robbie YouTube boxing match. Oh, I love our community. We have the best inside jokes. I swear to God. I swear to God we do. I'll do 10K. I'll do 100K. Dude, Robbie, I will bet my entire house if you're gonna bet you. I'll bet yeah, any amount of money that we can do. Copy and paste it from what though? Mark, wait, what are you talking about? Copy and paste it from what? That's too funny though. Robbie, we love you, man. Robbie, you are a legend. You are, instead of Wall Street bets, it's Brandon bets. Auspicious bets. Oh man, that's too funny. He's diving from beyond the grave. He's coming back from the afterlife like Obi-Wan in Empire Strikes Back, right? Whatever the Force theme, right? Oh man. Oh, it's too funny. He's high. He's high AF. Oh, I'm never gonna get. That's one of the. Do you guys remember when Robbie Smith? Guys, let me give you for all the people that are new here. For all the people that are new here, right? Okay, we're up 2% after hours, but with the whole Robbie Smith thing, this is why it's so funny and why I'm losing my shit right now. Robbie Smith has been a bear on the channel for probably like several months. I remember very specifically on May 13th, he was saying he was shorting and buying puts. He has been silent since he made his prediction. He made a prediction of like $3 or $2 on May 21st. And obviously we were like, we were like 560K. We were nowhere near that. He has been nowhere since on the channel until two times. Two times as Robbie came up. He came up on the ARK Invest live stream. Is there anyone here that remembers that? We streamed. There was a lot of speculation if ARK bought because there was 3.5 million shares added. We were speculating and streaming if we were refreshing ARK's page to see if their buys and sells today was Bionano at all. That was, and then after they didn't, after we refreshed it and they didn't invest, Robbie said, of course they didn't invest. You know, why would you think they invested? And it's just so funny that he, out of this entire time, he has said nothing about the price, and then out of nowhere, he just comes in and says, Kathy, after the ARK doesn't invest, like, oh no, it's such a bad company, ARK didn't invest. You know, why would you think invest it? And now he just came in again today. What did he say today? Let's go. Oh, we have it in writing. We have it in writing now. This is why our company is not the company. This is why our freaking community is the best. Look at this. $2.10, July 20th. Are you out of your mind? 210? I mean, what is that? What is that? This is too funny. Oh my gosh, I gotta calm down. I gotta take a breath real quick. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, feel free to leave right now. But yeah, I can't really leave because we're up 2% right now, and Robbie Smith just came back. Oh my god, why? Why is Robbie Smith back right now? Robbie Smith coming back is a good sign for BNGO price. Oh man, it is. It is. That's the truth right there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'll organize it. If we have a meet and greet, yeah, I will organize it. I just want to know, does everybody actually want to do this, and what price, and where? Missouri? Do y'all want to come to me? Let's do Missouri. I'm in Missouri. I'm in Springfield, Missouri. Let's do it somewhere here. I don't know. So I don't know where we would do it, but yeah, I would do it. We just have to figure out a price. Yeah, but I'll set it up. I'll make a video about it. I'll type in the Discord. I'll talk about it in the streams. Yeah, we'll know about it. Everyone will know about it. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, y'all got to stop making me laugh. I'm gonna freaking die because of it. Robbie lost a lot of money with BNGO, and now he is cheesed. He hates BNGO because of it. He's cheesed. Oh yeah, he is. He is. Robbie is the nemesis. Yeah, he is. Robbie, you're funny, but the most famous food in Missouri? Psh, there is none. Missouri, misery. It's called misery for a reason, man. No, I'm kidding. It's not too bad. Would be awesome to meet. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. When we hit all-time highs. Dude, I say yeah. I say we do a meet and greet. I don't know where. I don't know where it would be. I don't know. But Vegas, Ohio here. Vegas. Nah. You're making me think of freaking you're making me think of Prison Break for some reason, which I don't even know if they went to Vegas. I think they did. Did Prison Break, Michael Schofield and LinkedIn, did they go to freaking, I think they did. I don't know. Anyways, Toronto, is there anything cool there? No. Not really. I mean, in Missouri, not really. Not really. I can't really I mean, there's some stuff that there's like the what do you call it, the freaking Bass Pro crap that a lot of people like, which I mean it's kind of cool, but it's not worth the hype. But Colorado legal weed. We lose all our money in Vegas. Ah! Oh man, is this freaking what do you call it? That makes me think of The Hangover, which is dumb, but that makes me think. Yeah, that makes me think of The Hangover, man. That makes me think of The Hangover. Oh my gosh, taking all of our BNGO profits, selling out, and then gambling it all and losing it all. Canada shows you love, Brandon. BNGO headquarters. Should we all meet up outside of the BNGO headquarters? And then somebody said as a joke, I mean, I'm serious though. What was that? What was that? Guys, does anyone, this is why we haven't ended the stream yet, right? If anyone's getting in here now and they thought we ended the stream, this is why we haven't ended the stream yet. We're up 2% after hours, and we're getting weird price action like this. We're up 2% after hours, though. Rip the Bears. BNGO will pay for our drinks. Oh my gosh. No, what if we had the meet and greet in the ARC G parking lot? And freaking Kathy Wood in the freaking office, like squinting down at us, like you damn kids, and we're like celebrating with BNG after BNGO's at all-time highs, and we're like, you suck ass, Kathy Wood. F you, man. That would be so funny. That would be awesome. Oh man. Miami Beach. I don't know. What price though? All-time highs, meet and greet, and all-time highs. Do we do a meet and greet slash BNGO Fellowship of the Sapphire party? Chat Discord, Brandon. Oh, whoa! He legit copy and pasted the first paragraph from this article. Yeah, I think he is just trolling. Yeah, it would make sense. Okay, there's no one in their right mind is taking Robbie seriously. $2? No, that's not gonna happen. Airbnb by Kathy Wood's house. Airbnb by Kathy Wood's house. $50. Okay, a lot of people are saying 50. Okay. It's gonna be a while. It's probably gonna be years, but all right, that's fine. Whatever. 1677, 1675. All right, let's read this article. This is new. This is just okay. This. Oh, what the? Oh, okay. This isn't new. What do you mean he copy and pasted it? There's nothing in this. There's nothing in here about that. It's too much action without fundamental justification. Oh, okay, gotcha. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. Oh my gosh. Please join the Discord. Free link in the description if you want. It's so fun. It's so fun. That's crazy. Okay, so it looks like Robbie is just trolling, but still, it's funny as hell. Still, it's funny as hell. Come on. Oh my gosh, we just broke again. 2.17% after hours. Oh man. I bought 100 on the ask. Hell yes. BNGO rallies. After headline, New York Times, or I don't know, mainstream media. Robbie Smith claims BNGO goes to 210, claiming justification of fundamentals is full of apathy or some crap. Robbie copy and paste. Yep, Robbie is like Richie Rich from the stock twits BNGO board back into 50 cents. Richie comes in and whatever he said, the stock price was going to do it, do the opposite. People would look forward to him bashing. Oh man, I say at $25. Then Richie disappeared for some reason, and he came back. His username Dark Richie Rich when he suddenly became bull. Oh my god, I love this. Is what makes stocks in our community so fun. The bulls, the bears' hypocrisy of just coming back. I mean, if anyone's just getting in here right now, Robbie Smith. Where's Boomstick at? Is Boomstick in here? Where's my OGs at? There's plenty of OGs, but where's my Boomstick at, my friend? Dude, Robbie Smith is back. Robbie Smith comment. You can scroll up. He was there. Robbie Smith just said this, man. Robbie probably bought some puts. Yeah, I did. We need a protest for BNGO. We should do a BNGO rally with BNGO flags, hats, sapphire mascot. Yeah, let's vote on price to me. Okay, yeah, done. Done. Okay, I'll do that live and I'll send you the link right now. Done. Here we go. I vote for all-time highs. You guys vote for whatever you think, but okay, here we go. At what BNGO price should the Fellowship of the Sapphire do a meet and greet, do a party / meet and greet? All right. All right, so $10. Okay, no, I'm going to say all-time highs. All-time highs. No, I'm going to say, here, I'll say this. $16. I'll just make it simple, so there's no confusion at all right? $16, 20, 30. Here, and I'll do 25. I don't know, let's do 20. And then we'll do 50 and then 100. To get all sort of, because I've seen a ton of, I have not seen anyone say higher than $100. Host a Zoom meeting for something if those who can't. Yeah, I probably should. That's probably a good idea. Meet and greet in Vegas. Oh yeah, and where? I got to do another poll about where as well. Yeah. Where should it be? Here's the link, everybody. Or 210. Oh man. Robbie Smith needs help. He was lost and sadly his back, so he is found. Y'all won't all fit on my yacht at $100. Everyone holding before February eats free. I'll tell you what, all the OGs of the channel eat free or whatever. I don't know. There's so many OGs that are freaking legendary. Most of y'all are OGs. I won't remember all the names, though. Plus, then again, someone could just say their name, their actual name. I don't know. And never mind. That's a bad idea. $100 so we can form a room full of strippers. I'm down. I'm down. That's legendary. Oh, man. I legit think all these supposed bears lost their money, so they came on this streak to fearmonger. Revenge is a fool's game. Yeah, or the stream. Yeah. Yeah. I'm a BNGO OG, not channel OG though. Hey, hey, I've seen you today. Is this your first day on the channel? How many new people do we even have any new viewers? I'm pretty sure our channel just doesn't get any new viewers nowadays, except a couple. How many new viewers how many people found out about this channel today or last week? This week or last week? Probably zero. No, I've been here like what, 2 weeks? Okay, fair enough. That's honestly, you know what? That's OG enough. You know why that's OG enough? Because 2 weeks ago we were below $7 and $6 a share, and we were taking shit, and you were here through the freaking hellfire, and you held through. So yeah, you're not an OG, but you're kind of an OG. I'm new. We've got one. We've got like 2 new people. We got like 2 or 3 new people. Yep. Thanks, YouTube algorithm. Oh, I'm not complaining. It's great. I'm very thankful for what we have. But yeah, I've been here when we were at all-time highs, lol. I've been around for a few months. Yeah, Cody Briz an OG, I believe. Some of you, I'm sorry, I can't. Some of the names I forget, but yeah, I know Cody Briz been here for a while. Yes, sir. OG right there. Ryan Huff. Yeah, I definitely recognize him. I know the channel, but I never watched live stream until last week. Got a Civic. Yes, got a Civic. Yes, that does ring a bell. Yes. Havana's been here for a while. Yeah, Havana's recognized. Oh, yeah, Adam. Yeah, I recognize you by your freaking picture. Yeah, I recognize you. Yeah, you've been here. Oh, I don't know how long. You've been here for at least weeks, if not more than that. Probably more than that. I get it mixed up, though. Okay, I get it mixed up sometimes. Right now, we're 789 or 798, excuse me, up 2% in the after hours. If anyone's just getting in here right now, the SPY, look at the SPY close today, man. Look at this. We got the most eventful, guys. It's a crazy day when the after hours and the close is more exciting than anything else, right? I mean, we got crazy news today. The market open was really exciting, but besides that, it was a pretty boring day. I mean, there was some cool stuff. There was plenty of cool stuff that happened. It was a great day, but the after hours and the market close was insane. The SPY went crazy, and then for Bionano, we started. We closed very boringly, but then after hours, obviously, we freaking started running up 2% after hours. And to top it all off, right? Icing on the cake, right? Freaking Robbie Smith came back, man. Havana, dude, Robbie is back. Robbie is back. He said we're gonna hit 210 on July 20th. It's too awesome. It's too awesome, man. Oh man, legendary. I watch every day for months now. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but you are legendary. Biology student, 2 months. All my biology students, man, I should be studying. I should be studying biology as well if I want to do freaking Bionano. But dude, my biology people, give me your rundown on. Well, I guess it's more. Where is it? I don't know. Anyways, the video that was the new Sapphire sale, that video. Maybe y'all should take a look at that and tell me what y'all think if you want. But anyways, yeah, whatever. Yeah, it's a lot of. What's your squeeze prediction? Well, my prediction is this. If the NASDAQ and the markets do what I think they will and can, right, I don't think the Fed... I know we are all screwed at some point, right? The markets are going to be screwed at some point in the next few months, I think, because the Fed is going to have to taper at some point. I don't think it's this week, and I don't think the markets are going to freak out this week. I think the markets are going to do well this week. It could certainly backfire. I could be way wrong, okay? But I could be way off the ball, but... That's what I'm thinking is going to happen. And even if we do dump, right? I've got buying power ready, so I'm honestly fine either way. But my prediction is that that was off topic. Squeeze prediction is this: if the markets do what I think they will, Bionano is going to probably get some sort of gamma squeeze going on if we go up, which we should if the markets do what I think they will. So yeah, I do think this week is extremely bullish, but the contingency is the markets, and the markets is kind of a gamble, but I do think there's a higher chance that of the markets doing well this week than not. Right? SPY closing all-time highs this week. What is this? Whoa, what is this? Market manipulation. Anyone doesn't know what market manipulation looks like? Here you go. I mean, I guess you could say this is a glitch in the system, but dude, let's see if there was any shares bought at, oh my God, what is this? Let's see if there's any shares being bought at 782 here. Look at this. There's shares being traded at 782. There are people buying right now at 782 when we should be all the way up here. Okay, looks like this is just the markets. Yeah, it looks like this is the markets, but man, what is going on right now? What is going on, dude? This is manipulation. I don't think this is real. I'm 99% sure this is not real. But then again, the market makers and manipulators, maybe they're getting creative. maybe they don't care about hiding it. They just want to freaking manipulate it down. Oh man, what? There's no way. There's no way. Okay, I was about to say there's no way, because there's literally like not even 100 shares being traded at 780. There's literally not even 500 shares being traded. There's no way. What is this? Manipulation, man. Back to 680. Robinhood is not showing this. Yeah, see, exactly. Robinhood is not showing this. Is Robinhood showing 795 though? Is Robinhood showing 795? 210. Is Wolf running after hours? Not really. Oh, we got it in the stream. Okay, there we go. We're back up to 2%. It's like, what? Oh, man. Desperation. No, okay, good. Good. The Apple Core Mac PC computer repair sales lessons. That's quite the name. Weeble trash. That's Robbie trying to make a trade at 210. Yeah, honestly. We got to get out of here though. We got to end the stream, guys. We got to get this is going on for too long. There was, let's see. Okay, looks like there was no imbalance for the close. No imbalance for the close today for the shares, the imbalance crap here. There's no imbalance. Interesting. Pump and dump. 6.8 is my average cost. Well, you know what? Congratulations, Mark, for having such a low average cost, right? It's not as low as a lot of people's, but dude, hell yeah, you're up like 20%, 15, 10% easily. So hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. I love to see that BNGO people are making money, at least right now. And you need to sell right now and take those profits if you don't know what you're doing. Dude, what is this price action, man? I'll be here. Remember me, I'll be here next year. Rips lips. That's how I remember you. That's why no one will remember your name. Warning, BNGO will skyrocket to 100. I've been here for months. Back when we had to pay to talk in the chat, I think you were at like 1 to 2.52K subs. No, Adam, I'm sorry. I don't feel so bad. My friend, I knew you've been here for a while. No, I knew you've been here for a while. I just didn't know the name. I'm sorry. That's my fault. I'm not good at names sometimes. I'm sorry. My brain cells. You have to remember, guys, my brain cells, they are only there half the times. That sometimes they just disappear. They're just gone, right? Especially after we've been streaming for this long. But Adam, yeah, Adam, I recognized you. I just didn't know you were here for months. I'm sorry. I feel bad now. Now I feel bad. Damn it. Oh man, my average is 6. I bought some at 4. I'm sorry, Ryan. What's your name? Adam. I'm sorry, my friend. No, I knew you were here. I remember seeing your profile picture for a while. I just don't know how long. I'm dumb. That's why. Eat, drink, and seeps BNGO. What's the future for BNGO? The future is this: moon time tomorrow. Buy now. YOLO out the money calls. No, I'm kidding. Please don't do that. Please only do that if you know what you're doing. Okay. Headline tomorrow. YouTuber thinks we're gonna hit $100 tomorrow. Auspicious descent. Buy now. Robbie Smith, you said we were gonna hit $10. Oh man. Adam, I'm sorry. No, I do feel bad. Oh. I remember you. I just don't remember exactly when. I don't my I'm just not. My mind is not that good. I wish I had a better memory, but. Robinhood is showing this. What, 797? Is that what it's showing? Buy more if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, honestly, that's more like it. Honestly, if you know how to hold through downtrends and just turn the phone off, buy now if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, I agree. But hey, no. But I agree. But at the end of the day, I still have an obligation to tell you, if you don't know what you're doing, you need to get out, and that's true. Okay, if you're going to be one of those people that whines to me, yeah, you need to get out now. Yeah, absolutely. If you think genomics will play a big part in medicine, then you should believe that BNGO will have a great future. That's a part of it. I would say it's more about the Sapphire being better and greater than 500 BP detection, but yeah, that too. That too is very big, yeah. Yes, sir. You should feel bad. Your Wi-Fi puts literally bankruptcy for me now. Oh, man. As you said that, I think the Wi-Fi just flickered in and out right there. It still flickers, but only for like 2 seconds because the Ethernet is too good. The Ethernet is awesome, right? There's no prolonged freaking Wi-Fi shortages, which is amazing. Bionano will do to the genomic sector what Apple did to tech. Mark my words. Down the line, I think that's what's gonna happen. I got a joke for you. What is a pirate's favorite letter? What is it? So there's hope. Okay, holding these puts. Well, I don't know. I mean, Sometimes if it's flickered like a few times today, less than 4. I think it's flickered like 3 times today overall, maybe 4. But when it flickers, it's only like 1 second, 2 seconds, and then it's back. At least on my screen. I don't know if that's the same as your screen. It should probably be, but R is a big fan of the C. Ah, I see what you did there. I see what you did there, man. We've got a comedian. We've got the next the next Tim Dillon here. Next I was gonna say, oh right, never mind. All right. Average 1468 doesn't matter. It feels the same 10 years. Yeah, exactly. If we remember that, it doesn't matter what your average is. If the company does what we think it's gonna do, it doesn't matter what your average cost is. You're just gonna wish you added more, right? I mean, that's why I'm gonna be doing. Okay, if the markets, once the government stops spending, once the government stops spending everything they can, once we get that correction, this share amount is probably going to increase from 2,000 to, I mean, depending on the share price, 2,000 to 5,000 pretty soon. Probably not this month, to be honest with you, but probably by the end of the summer, probably, hopefully. Okay, here we go, 798, about to test the after hours higher here, maybe. Hopefully we can open up tomorrow above $8. That's the goal. GME rocketing again? What? No, it's not. What are you GME rocketing again? What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? It's down. It's not rocketing. Is it? Am I missing something here? Mora is up after hours, another 1%. That's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Let's check that volume. Let's get that volume up here. Hell yeah, that volume. Look at that. What the heck is that? What the heck is that red volume doing there, man? Come on. The stream was smooth all day. Heck yeah, man. Y'all are welcome for that Ethernet cable, man, but it was made possible to y'all, so thank y'all so much for that. I hope it continues to be good. It should be. I don't see how I could screw the Ethernet cable up. It's just a cable that's plugged in, so I don't know how I could screw it up. KDJO, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. Diamond hands, is that what it's supposed to mean? Diamond hands, hell yeah, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. If the price keeps going up, when are you adding shares? That's a good question. So bull case scenario, let's say Bionano is going to hit $15 end of summer. Let's say bull case, literally nano nozzle happens this year. I don't know. Let's say the hype comes in, Wall Street Bets adopts us. Let's say we're going to hit $10 and $12 and $13, $15 all-time highs like in the next few months. How am I going to add shares? That's a great question. I probably won't be adding as many if we do 100%, but I will be looking out for those dips. Because honestly, for me, this is a fine amount. I mean, I want to get more shares, but honestly, this is a fine amount of shares for me long term. I am going to try to get more though. My goal, you guys know my goal, 10,000 is a goal by end of summer, which is not going to happen. But I mean, if the channel, okay, it's not going to happen. But if it did, that's the goal. If you want Brandon to be on for another hour, someone call Robbie and have him make another guest appearance. That's the truth. That's the damn truth. It's something to talk about. It's interest. Right now, we don't have anything to talk about except the after hours. We're just going sideways right now. So there's not much to talk about. So that's why I'm going to end it here in a second if we don't get anything crazy happening. Probably. Unless there's a ton of great... last minute questions. Let's get out of here. I got to make a video later. We got to make the technical analysis video later. We got to get out of here soon, man. We got to get out of here. I got to go eat, and then we got to make the video for today. So yeah, let's get out of here in 5 to 10 minutes max, and then last minute questions now. I only have 123 shares. Somebody want to donate some shares? Donation shares. Ask Robbie Smith, right? Robbie hates the company so much, maybe he'll give you some. And sometimes the delay is intentional to try to manipulate the after hours price. Sometimes traded gets reported late and shows up in after hours. Oh. What is the definition of short shares? So basically, I mean, you can probably just look it up and it'll be a better explanation. But hold on, I got a hair in my mouth again. Okay, I'm good now, I think. But basically, yeah, short shares are basically shares they're basically selling regular shares. They're selling them, and then they're being lent out from the broker to the people who are actually bearers and shorting. So. Thank you so much, Rome. I don't know how. I'm sorry, Rome. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I feel so bad. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. Buy a share tomorrow. Thanks for all the entertainment. I will. You know what? How about I buy one now? You want me to buy one now? I'll buy one. I'll buy a share right now at the ask if you want. Yeah, I'll buy a share right now at the ask if you want. Right today or tomorrow. Just you tell me. You tell me. What is the total addressable market of India in terms of sales that BNGO can capture? There's no calculating that. I mean, I would love if you could try to calculate that, but I have no idea. I have no idea. The total addressable market of India for Bionano, a high amount. I mean, I have no idea. There's no number that I can give you. I mean, it's hundreds of millions of dollars probably. Well, no, yes, yeah, because you have to. The TAM and SAM definitions are really hard. Okay, the TAM is what is the total demand, the total amount of revenue that you can get on a yearly basis through the total broad, non-specific niche of what you're in. So the genomic sector's TAM is going to be higher than the serviceable obtainable market. So okay, today is fine. Okay, awesome. I still don't know how to pronounce your name, even with those accents. I still don't. I'm sorry, my friend. But okay, today is fine. All right, here we go. I'll do. All right, I'll buy one at the ask. Here we go. I'll buy one at the ask. Here we go. All right, the ask is $8 right now. Boom, one share. $8. Let's go. Boom. Hell yeah, man. Technically, I shouldn't have done that because technically YouTube takes like half of the money that I make from YouTube. So technically, but whatever. I don't care. Whatever. Okay, hey. Everything I make from YouTube is going into BNGO shares, so I might as well do it now. Okay, whatever. Please don't match me on that, right? Please don't. That was literally, I was only adding that because what is his name? The legend himself. So yeah, $500 million in my opinion. The total addressable market, maybe, yeah. But the serviceable obtainable market is the one that matters, right? The SOM, the serviceable obtainable market. That's the one that matters. If I make a Webull account, I can get a free BNGO share. Yeah, you technically could. Yeah, you technically could. It's a random stock that you get. Yeah, if you use the link down below, yeah, you do get a free share or a free stock. Yeah, like $20 free or something like that. Yeah. Quick plug. Quick plug. I'm sorry, boys. Rockets. I did nothing. I bought a share at the ask, which was $8, and now it went down. Oh man. I finally reached my goal of 200 shares today. Dude, yes. Hell yes, man. What's your average cost? Adam, what's your average cost, man? Hell yeah. 100 shares adding, you're pumping. Oh man. Please don't add share. Please, guys, but that's a joke, but please seriously don't let yourself think that I'm thinking we're going to go to $8. Well, I guess we already are at $8 today. Or $20 tomorrow or 10 or whatever. Tomorrow just cuz I bought one share at the ask, okay? Come on, don't think that, guys. Angel Cortez, my calls and stocks looking good. Thank you, my friend. Freaking legend. Angel Cortez, freaking legend, man. Thank you. Thank you for being a legend, man. Thank you, man or woman. Okay, I always say man. Guy or girl. Okay, I do a bad job of saying both guys and girls. I usually just say guys. Anyways, yeah, it's freaking Sharon. I'm glad Sharon's not here right now. She would call me out on that instantly, which is good. Oh, Sherry Thompson is here. $30 by September. Sherry is a long-time OG on the channel. Sherry, you still here, my friend? Sherry, $30 by September. Hell yeah. $30 by September, man. Hell yeah, man. And what was the average cost? Adam, did you tell me your average cost? No, not yet. I'm so glad I'm still holding half, looking to increase my share count by Wednesday. How many shares? Sold half my BNGO shares at close, so I look like a dumbass now. I'm anticipating drama in the NASDAQ, especially when the S&P is crazy high. All right. Well, somebody told me, what do you call it? Patriots Pub gave me some reasoning as to why it could be crazy this week, which I'm scared at. I still need to look at what he sent me. Are you here, Patriots Pub? But don't hate me for it, but I was buying shares back at the highs, and Diamond handed them all an average down, but throughout the whole downturn, and managed to bring a $13 average to $8.33. Now, I don't hate you for that. Dude, I applaud your conviction. That's awesome. Yeah, I know. Seriously, the ask is $7.96. I know. Yeah, the Webull ask always takes a couple more cents. Yeah. I don't care. That's what the ask currently was for Webull, but yeah. Hey, I'm doing my part, right? I'm doing my part, right, Havana? So 16,000 shares. With your help, I've increased my share count by 20%. I hope you know what you're doing with that many shares. I'm sure you do if you have that much money on the line. I'm sure you know what you're doing. So hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. Everyone here got $5 averages. I know. I know. All the people that didn't look at that 798 right now broke the previous high, kind of, right? I mean, the last 2-minute high, right? But yeah, okay, Sherry Thompson is here, legendary. Sherry is one of the freaking OGs, man. Sherry is one of the, how long has Sherry been here? I think Sherry's been here like one of the Boomstick is probably the only one that's been here longer than Sherry. I don't know. Anyways. All right. Yeah, there are a lot, but back to my point though. Yeah, a lot of people. Sherry, what's your average cost, Sherry? If you don't mind me asking, I guess some people don't want to say, but yeah, my point was a lot of people have the averages down in the 5s, right, including myself, and lower than that, right? But a lot of people have averages in the 7s and 8s, and that's nothing. That's nothing to be ashamed of. That's nothing to be ashamed of. Let me check the Discord. Is there something going on here? Hold on. Okay, cool. All right. I love your show. I bought BNGO. Awesome, man. Gotham Collections. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. I hope you know what you're doing, though. If you're buying Bionano, you better know what you're doing. Don't buy it because I'm here. Buy it because of the research that you've done, not that I've done. I'm sure you guys know what you're doing. Most of you know what you're doing. But yeah, you need to know what you're doing if you're going to hodl. I originally bought in at 190. Why did I not hodl? Oh, man, I can relate. Dude, same here. I can relate. I originally bought in. It's glitching. Oh, Weeble crashed. Unexpectedly crashed. Damn. I've been swing trading, so my cost average goes up and down. It goes up. Okay, fair enough. Insider options are at 784. Yeah, and 683. And they're not. Most of them are not exercisable right now, though. To my understanding. Yeah, I first bought in at the freaking I first bought in at the freaking $1 range. I believe at least like $3, $2. I first bought in way back here. I think. Yeah, I first seriously invested at $5 a share. And I missed out on a lot of profits by selling. And then and then I started getting my position way higher when it was in here and in here. And then obviously through extremely aggressive averaging down, we now have an average cost, right? If I go ahead and give you if I do this, you can now see average cost is 570. So that's what I'm looking at. All right, me and my buddy bought in at 80 cents. What the heck? Dude, this is manipulation. Dude, what the hell? Look at the SAR here. What is this? This is glitching and manipulation. What the? The only reason why we got the SAR flip here is because, well, I guess, yeah, pretty much only because we got the manipulation there. Anyways, was at 59 cents, now 176. That's awesome. That's why, man, that's awesome. That's all. Make sure you guys fast forward to being live, by the way. Make sure you guys are live. Yeah, 176 average for Sherry Thompson. Man, that's awesome. Oh, $8. Testing $8. Can we break above $8, though? Up 2.3%. Just got the bullish super trend flip right there. Heck yes. Heck yes. Oh, boy. 58 cents and sold at 68. Then kicked myself. Bought back at 128. That's freaking awesome. That's just as good almost, right? Pump and dump probably. Dude, what are you talking about? Go. Yeah, exactly. Let's get them rockets in the chat. Screw the pump and dump crap. Okay, it probably, maybe. I don't know. Short term, if you want to call it pump and dump. Not really, though. I don't think so. Dude, what is this price action? What is this price action? What is this? It just... It's gapping up and down, left and right, man. I also own warrants at 17 cents on top of my shares. Heck yeah, man. Do you know why Dogecoin went to 9 cents? Or, yeah, 9 cents and back to 32. Loaded up at 528. That's awesome. No cap. Everyone with bad averages not talking until we 12 plus. I remember holding the line down 40% just due to my confidence in BNGO. That's how you know you're a legend. That's how you know. Now, I don't want to be arrogant and act like we're above everyone else that did this, but you know you're not me. I'm not trying to talk about you guys are legends if you held being down 40%. And I can relate very, very much. I would have been down much more than 50% if I would not have averaged down. And I was down more than 50% at times. Mark my words, right? If you held through that shit and averaged down, you're a goddamn legend. That's as simple as it gets. That's as simple as it gets, man. You are a legend if you did. You asked for it. I logged off and wrote a Reddit story real quick. Dude, link it. Link it. Always right. Let's see. Always right. Always has good Reddit stories. I always love what he says about the nano nozzle. He is freaking the wisdom he has, man. I love the wisdom. Let's go to BNGO here. This is news, basically. Here we go. Yes. Yes. I love it. Let me link this in the chat right now. Everyone go give Always Right some love. I have not even read this yet, but I already know it's high quality. I already know it's high quality. That's how good he is. I got to go to the price action, though. We can't do it. Dude, we're at 801. I can't. We're at 801. We just broke the after hours high. I cannot read that yet. I want to read that. We'll read that tonight for sure, if not during this stream. We got to end the stream. We have to end the stream. We have to. 802, new high, after hours high at least. Volume is picking up a little bit. I mean, a little bit. 803. Yeah, Brennan, get out of here before the price plummets. No, come on, don't be like that. I don't know if you're joking or not, but don't be like that. I wish I had 10K liquid like you, Brandon. I would have brought it down to 5 to consider it a blessing you had. Yeah, consider it a blessing that you had liquid money. Yeah, that's true. That's certainly true. I was down 50%. I have diamond balls. Legendary. Legend. Diamond balls, diamond hands. That's a freaking dangerous man. When you have diamond hands and diamond balls, you are a dangerous man. Everyone buy the ask. No, only buy if you know what you're doing. Only buy if you know what you're doing. I have to say it. It all won't matter though in a couple months. Probably true. I hope it's true at least. Dude, come on, let's confirm. Yes, we're barcoding right now. Kind of very weird barcoding, right? 3 cents. Usually it's less than that, but yeah. Why is there no shares we bought $8? That one share is green. Oh yeah, it is. The one share that I bought is green. Yeah, it is. That's funny. I got diamond balls in my hands. Order some pizza. You're not leaving. Oh, no. Oh, man. Should I just order pizza on stream here, man? Oh, my gosh. We can't leave. We're up 3% almost in the after hours. We're making new after hours highs. I can't leave. We have to leave. We have to. I have to go eat, and then we have to make a video today. I feel like it's more important that we get the news today, summing up the price action and the news and the and Always Right's Reddit post and the Lineagen thing, right? No one even knows about this. The Lineagen catalyst that we've got on June 21st. We're going to be live streaming that. You better bet your ass we're live streaming that. I want to see all of you there. Hopefully I do see you all there. That's going to be at Monday, 8 o'clock Pacific time. That's going to be 11 o'clock Eastern time and 10 o'clock Central time, a.m. Monday, June 21st. Look at that volume in. I mean, the volume is not huge, but yeah, it's at 8:03 right now. We're just chilling right now. You don't need to eat, bro. You don't need to eat, bro. Oh, man. Oh, all my shares are my free shares. I cashed out of my initial investment. Fair enough. Shouldn't have done that, but no, that's fine. That's fine. I respect that. I understand that. If I was up 500%, 1,000%, 300%, I would maybe consider doing the same thing. So I can't tell you what you should have done. It's all dependent on what you think. It's all dependent on your situation, right? Taxes, your financial situation, your family, your loans, all that crap. The kid is 1,000 factors. I was down 60% and I averaged down. Hell yeah. When do you expect new all-time highs for BNGO? If Wall Street Bets stop censoring us, I expect them by end of month. We can all average down when it goes to 210. Aftermarket has been weird since last week. I know, and it's because we've gone up so much in the manipulators. I think it's because the manipulators are getting in. The manipulators know they have to do shit, and they're getting their freaking short ladder attacks, their synthetic shares being bought. That's when they're maybe doing it right now. I don't know. That's just a theory, right? If I open a Webull account, do I get free shares? You get free money, not share. You technically do get free shares of a random stock. You might get BNGO shares. I have never got free BNGO shares before, but you could. You do get free money though. Free money in the form of like $20 of shares, free Webull money. Yes, that's true. Brandon, please don't go. The magic hat is the reason we are going up. Oh man, end of month, like within 2 weeks. Yeah, I do think that. Yeah. Well, you know what? I shouldn't say that. I should say more like $10 end of month. But here's the thing. If Wall Street Bets stop censoring us and we start getting a couple thousand upvotes on our posts, like we will, like I will, I'm very confident that my post will do that. Also, look at the volume increase right there. 5,000 shares, 803. I wouldn't be surprised if it was bought, right? We got green volume and the price is staying. Would not be surprised if 5,000 shares were just bought in the after hours. Not huge, but, you know, the volume is coming in, right? You like to see it. But maybe $10. Maybe, Brandon, change your logo to 210. Oh, man. I have bought and sold $1.2 million of BNGO since December. That's awesome. Go take a rest before you bang us out some videos. Yeah, I probably should, but I feel so bad. We're at 803 right now. What if we keep climbing? Oh, I feel so bad. What if we start running? I feel like, you know what? Whatever. Honestly, I'm happy. If we keep running in the after hours, I'm happy. But I do feel bad that we're missing it, right? We're not here to stream it, but still. So why don't you buy more shares now if you think it's going to be 10 this month? Because I don't think Wall Street Bets is going to uncensor us. Because the contingency there is if Wall Street Bets adopts us, which that's a huge contingency in and of itself. Also, they would have to stop censoring us. That's probably not even going to happen. It should happen eventually, but who's to say the mods won't continue being corrupt for the next freaking who knows how long? So next video clickbait title is BNGO going to 210. Yep, I'll change this video's title right now to that. BNGO stock is BNGO stock going to 210. 210 as claimed by Robbie by Robbie Smith. Oh, is BNGO stock going to 210 as claimed by Robbie Smith? Boom, save. Brandon, do you think we will reach same without Wall Street Bets with your price target? My price target without Wall Street Bets, okay, there's a bull and bear case. Okay, bull case, if the markets do what I think they will, $10 into month, most likely, probably higher than that. If the markets do what I think they will, there's a contingency. And bear case, 804, new after hours high as I'm talking. Love it. Almost 3% up in the after hours. And remember, we're already up like 3% on the day, right? What did we end the day up? 2%, 3%. Yeah, we ended the day, remember this, guys, we ended the day up 3%. The higher we go, the more the percentage is compressed. We're up. Oh my God, we're at 805 now. We're at 805. Oh, this is why I didn't end the stream. This is why we haven't ended it yet, man. Oh man, 804. Without Wall Street Bets, I feel like $4. No, I would say bear case. The bull case is $10 end of month easily, if not higher than that. The bear case end of month is probably, I don't know. I mean, there's a couple different bear cases, right? If it's like, okay, Fed's like, okay, we're gonna taper now, and right, they actually just throw a freaking sideball, right? Curveball. That's like a 0% chance of that happening, I think. But if they did do that, and if the market started shitting ourselves because of it, we could see $7. We could see below $7. We could see below $7.50. That's the bear case, I would say, probably. Realistically, like the worst case scenario, the lowest I see Bionano going realistically without the headquarters getting shot up and blown up like by Al Qaeda is freaking $6 and $7 probably realistically right now is the lowest, most likely, probably, yeah. Let's break 824 tonight. Let's do it. I'm down. Are you guys down? Y'all want to break 824 tonight? I'm down. Let's do it, man. I wish we could just choose, but yeah, let's do it. I'm with it. Brandon, take your PC to your dinner table and let us watch you eat. Oh, it goes up 1 cent. Brandon be like, yeah. Yeah, I know, I do that. If Bionano goes up like 5 cents, I'm like, yes, let's go, squeeze coming. And then it goes down 5 cents, and I'm like, I don't know. What do I do when it goes down 5 cents? I don't know. But yeah, hyperbole, man, hyperbole. Remember, didn't the Fed already say they won't be making any changes this year? So I don't get why everyone is freaking out. Well, the thing is, they could easily switch it up on us. Plus they've been saying, a couple of them have been saying they're going to beginning to talking about tapering. So I don't know. Brandon, ASMR eating, let's go. like those Harry Potter videos, like those Harry Potter, what do you call it? Hufflepuff ASMR, those sort of things, man. You go, what is this? Oh yeah. I go, what is this? What is this? What is this? Yeah, I know. I'm selling at $9 for 90% gain. So your average cost is what, $1? No, it's way higher than that. Wait. Your average cost is about the same as mine then. Wait, no, your average cost is about $4. Yeah. $4.50, $5-ish. My math is bad, sorry. The worries about the Fed is behind the curve on inflation and their tools won't work. Yeah, plus inflation, yeah. Yeah, it's also have to do. It's not just the interest rates and tapering the asset buys, the asset repurchase crap, the program they got going on. Okay, I don't even know all the details of that, so I won't really comment on it. But basically, the fact of the matter is, the government is spending more money now than pretty much. Is somebody correct me if I'm wrong? The government right now is spending more money now than pretty much ever before, even in the FDR days, which is absolutely. I mean, it blows my mind. I didn't think we would ever get here again, but here we are. And you can make the argument that it's for a good cause, right? That's for you to decide. I'm not saying whether that's good or bad, but the fact of the matter is the government's spending a crazy amount of money, and if inflation doesn't stop, they're gonna stop. And not only are they gonna stop doing their freaking coddling of the markets through spending all that markets and through spending all that money, and some say artificially propping the markets up, but inflation is gonna freaking rise. If inflation, well, it's not necessarily going to, but if they do begin tapering, maybe that's because they think inflation is gonna rise. That's another point. But there's a lot there. At least some of y'all understand it better than me. So, but to my understanding, yeah, there's a ton of things. There's a ton of different things. All right, you have to read it. Add another $15 to the $15 price target. Yeah, honestly, every time I read an always right post, I get more bullish. Honestly, can we be honest with each other? What is this? This cat is thinking. What is this? BNGO puts 11:26 a.m. He bought puts at the lows today. What is this? What? Estimated cost? What? You don't have that money. Wait, what? I don't use Robinhood, so I don't know if this is okay. It's review. You haven't done it yet. Okay, yeah, you haven't done it yet. Preparing to average down. Yeah, I wish. Limit price 210. Oh, I get it. It's 210. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's funny. That's funny. I get it now. Sorry, guys. You have to remember when I'm looking at memes, it takes me a little while. It takes me a little while to understand them. Okay, so yeah. So you keep that in mind. 807? What is this? 807, right? When I look on 807, what is this? What is this? Right when I look out, right when I click off, we get 807, 3% up in the after hours. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Oh man. 808 is Renaissance Tech average. At 2 hour knowledge, they could have already averaged down. Biden has a ridiculous $6 trillion budget. I know, it's $6 trillion. $6 trillion. I know. It's not necessarily bad or good that he's spending all this money, but it's just crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh, $6 trillion. Yeah, that's more. With Kamala, anything can happen. I'm leaving USA in 2 years. Make your own opinions, guys. Make your own opinions. My average is 808. Pick me up. Sir, Cody Brett, sir, we are on the way to pick you up. Oh, there we go. 807. We're on the way to pick you up, sir. I don't know when, though. It could be today. It could be a year from now. Okay, between me and you, it's not going to be a year from now. Or at least I don't think it is. I don't think it's going to be. 807 right now, though. I want to see some rockets in the freaking chat. Rip Robbie's call already. Robbie's just trolling, but still, it doesn't matter. We're still going to troll him. It's still funny as hell, right? But, we are on the way to pick you up. I don't know when. We're on the way. I like the stonk. We like the stonk. This is the way. Wall Street Bet side of me is coming out. 808. Ooh, 808, baby. You're even. Yes, you're even. Hell yeah. 810. 810? Why are there so many people saying 810? We didn't hit 810. Oh, 809. 809. Oh, what do I do? I'm out of things to do. Do I just keep doing this? 8010. 8010 incoming, maybe. We're up 3.5% in the after hours. Look at the volume. Look at this. It's horrible, right? There's nothing compared to after hours, right? But look at this, man. 810. We got what? We got thousands of shares being bought at 805, man. Oh my. This is beautiful. What did I lose? Oh, nothing. Pump and dump. Marco, what are you talking about? Man? The stream is on ultra low latency. I cannot do anything to reduce the delay of the stream. Seriously, it's on ultra low latency. There should literally be less than 10 seconds, probably less than 5 seconds of delay. Literally, the quality of the stream is literally suffering because of such low delay I have it on. So there's nothing I can do with that, man. Oh, 8:10 right now. We got to end the stream. Oh my god, I got to. We should end it now while we're up so much, right? We should we should end the stream and make the videos tonight. I'm gonna go eat and then I'm gonna get the videos out later, man. Oh, I feel so bad if we. Oh my god, we just hit 8:11. Why do we always go parabolic at the worst times? I mean, we're not going parabolic, but this is pretty crazy. This is pretty damn crazy. We're up 4% after hours. I'm like, oh my. What do I do? What do we do? What do we do? 8:12? What is it? I look at the freaking chat for 1 second. We're already making new after hours high. 8:13 now. What is going on? What is going on, man? The volume is coming in. The after hours volume is here. We're at new after hours high. What else do I say? We're up 8:14, 4%. What do I do? What do I do? Do I throw my hat? Do I freaking throw my computer across the room? What do I do? Look like your Reddit posts are starting to work. Yeah, are you talking about always writes? Yeah, now the memes start. He bought, dump it. Yeah, honestly. He bought, Bogdanov. He bought, dump it. Please watch those memes if you haven't. Hold the stream. Hold it. 8:15 now. What is this? Are we ever going to stop? Where is the top? We just keep making higher highs. Where is the top? That's what all the bears are asking themselves. Like, please go down. Please go down. My puts are already down 50%. Please. My short position's down 100%. What do I do? 150%. What do I do? What do I do? Jump off a bridge. That's what they're contemplating doing right now. 8:15, almost 4.5% after hours. Oh, man. And the short interest? Let's get that short interest update if we have it. We don't have any, I guess. You have to read it. I know I do have to read it. Yes, it is. It's awesome. Here, let me go ahead and add everyone with this. Yeah, let me go ahead and add everyone with this. Oh, I got to keep it on the chart, though. I got to keep it on the chart. No updates. Okay, here we go. Oh, I thought we just hit 8:16 right there, man. Buy, go eat, share. I know we should go. We should get out of here. I've been saying I'm going to end the stream for like an hour now, and we just keep not doing it. Oh, man. There's no walls. Okay, guys, you guys want to see a fake wall? You guys want to know what fake wall is? All my beginner trades, you want to know what fake wall is? Boom, you guessed it. 12K to be sold at 8:20 in the after hours. Are you kidding me? Fake walls. Tear these walls down. That's an order. Off with their heads. 8:16 new after hours high, up almost 4.5% in the after hours alone. And remember, this is after. Remember, guys, we are already up 3% on the day. We're already outperforming our biggest competitors. Kind of, not really. I mean, in the high growth, not genomics, microvision and nanodimension. We're already better than them in volume. We already outperform both of them. Basically, we are killing them in the after hours. We're up to 8:16 now. What is this? 8:16. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. Take us to your dinner table. I'm not joking. Oh, man. 8:17. What do I do? What do we do? I mean, I can't end it. I can't until we start dumping. I'll tell you what, after we start retracing to whatever we're going to retrace to, then I'll end it. But, dude, I can't end the stream right now. We just keep going up. I'm so oh, my gosh. Why is the YouTube algorithm being so mean to us today? By the way, too, Bionano's done it's been a crazy day. YouTube algorithm is like, nope, bitch. We'll see about that. We'll see about your views today. That's a dumb meme. I'm sorry, that was corny. You should just stream live after the market. Oh yeah, just always write it out, no stop. Just for Brandon to stay. BNGO gods keep pushing it up. We're back at after hours highs. Oh my, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. We aren't retracing. There isn't a sell button. Stay until we break 824, the intraday high. Oh, there's the red candle. There it is. There's the red candle. Is this the start of the end? Is this the beginning of the end? Is that the peak that we're going to reach? I'm fine with it, Kate. We're doing absolutely 4% after hours, Kate. Who would have guessed this? No one predicted this. Was there any? I did see a couple people say we're going to run in the after hours, actually. A couple people did kind of predict this. AMC is rising as well. Yeah, looks like it. Looks like it. What did AMC in the day at? 15% of the green. My gosh, man. Oh, I just got to take a breath for a second, man. Holy crap. Institutions loading up in prep for Russell 3000 inclusion. That's a good idea. That certainly could be happening. Dude, look at this. We've got whales messing around, guys. 40,000 shares to be bought at 812. This is probably a fake wall completely, but dude, what the heck? Is this real? Please tell me this is real. Please tell me there's about to be 40,000 shares bought at 812. Please. Please, please, please. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, man. What are we gonna open up at tomorrow? What are we gonna open up at, right? Pre-market into open, right? Market open. What are y'all thinking? 815, we just gotta bounce. I don't know what to say. This is insanity. This is insanity. That's what it is. Are we not done? You gotta be kidding me. Are we not done yet? Are we gonna continue climbing? I mean, we definitely should. It makes sense. Okay, fundamentally, the more people that understand about the company, we should technically just continue to rise. But today, I wasn't expecting that today. Not fake. Someone shorted 50K shares at 815 and wants to buy back. How do you know they shorted 50K shares at 815? I hope you're right, but if you're right, then we're gonna close the after hours above 812 if you're right. Brandon, have you considered buying a few AMC Lotto tickets for the potential squeeze? Yeah, I have. I definitely have, and I will if it dips. Yes. Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I do buy one AMC Lotto ticket. Honestly, I wouldn't. If the markets gap up tomorrow, we could open up above $8. We could open at 850. We can open up at $9. I'm serious when I say that, right? When I was yelling at you all yesterday, or not yesterday, last week, Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday about the gamma squeeze and short squeeze potential. No one listened. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I should say that, but you know what I mean, right? I was going over all that shit for a reason. There is a perfect storm that has not aligned yet, and if it does, you better bet your ass we're going to squeeze to the freaking moon. You better bet your ass all-time highs and $10. Neither of those are off the table for this month or the next month. That's bull case, though. Hey, remember, that's bull case, guys. I'm not predicting that. I'm just saying if the bull case were to happen, which does have a fairly high chance. Well, not high chance, maybe at least a realistic chance of happening. If that does happen, that's what's going to happen. I mean, oh my, dude, I can't end it. I want to go eat. My voice is hurting now. I can't. Oh my gosh, what do I do? What do I get? 819 after hours high. Rip Robbie. I want to see rip that 210 prediction right when Robbie came in. I guess y'all were right. Right when the Bears come in, the stupid Bears come in with their damn stupid predictions. That's when the stop price starts running. Oh, we just hit 819. We just hit 819, and now it's disappeared. We're about to hit it again, I bet. 818 right now. Oh, my gosh. I can't leave. I can't leave. I know some people did predict after hours running. I forgot who they were, but hell yeah for those people. Congratulations for those people. Oh, man. 210, the new inside joke. Yeah, it is 210. Yeah, it is. 819 intraday high, or not intraday high, almost. The intraday, remember, intraday high is 824. I'm going to draw that up right now. Intraday high is 824. We are likely to get rejected at that if we're going to hit it. Oh my gosh, we're about to test it. We're about to test the intraday high. Let me make sure that's right. Yeah, 824. 824 is the intraday high. We've got the volume in the after hours. I mean, not that much, but for relatively, we've got the volume, right? 820 right now, after hours high. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. 820, we're trying to run. The perfect storm is not even start. I mean, the perfect storm is not even aligned yet. It really isn't. It really isn't. That's why it's so exciting. That's why I have to stream this, right? Because at any point, if the bull case were to happen, boom, $10. Okay, now please understand the risk. That's the bull case. That's a small chance of happening. But if it does, it's as simple as it gets. That's as simple as it is, man. Bro, why are there so many spammers? And I don't understand why there's so many spammers. And I gotta admit though, I kind of do enjoy putting people in timeout though. How does after hours work? What do you mean? It's just like the market open, but there's less volume, and a lot of exchanges and brokers don't allow trading on it. You will open high with immediate sell up to $4, Robbie Smith. Oh, that's exactly true. Oh, thank you for the donation, Tom Gregory. Crazy Cat. Crazy Cat, thank you so much. That is a bet. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate that a lot because the PayPal donation is I actually get the net income for it, right? YouTube takes, and I'm obviously I'm extremely appreciative and thankful for everything, but yeah, YouTube does take, a nice handsome cut off of everything. Very, very handsome is mildly for it, right? They take a very nice cut off of them. But yeah, thank you, Tom Gregory, Crazy Cat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate that a lot. $10 donation from me right there. Thank you so much. I appreciate that, man. I hope we open up 15% up. Sell, guys, I know we're kind of getting a little bit of that euphoria in right now. I can tell by the chat a little bit. Y'all need to know. Y'all need to sell right now if you don't know what you're doing and if you're not willing to go through red and open up red tomorrow or be 5% or 10, 15, 30% down red tomorrow potentially. Okay, I'm not bearish. I'm holding all my shares, but you need to understand this stock is not for everyone. When you're entering the stock and holding, it's a damn war with the manipulators. That's what it is. It's a war. It's a war, man. Right now it is, right? Long term, you guys know where I think we're going, but long term, right now, short term, the manipulators have their claws in this freaking stock. That's as simple as it is. So you need to sell if you don't know what you're doing right now. Please do not complain to me tomorrow if we open up red. Brandon, was there news? No, there was not news. If there was news, I'm sure somebody in our community would know. But let's just check just in case everyone missed it, which is very unlikely. There was news earlier today, right? CBO, it was the news. The new chief business officer is what we got earlier, and I do have a video on that covering that for some reason, which got no views for some reason, which is interesting. Also, let's see, at what price should the fellowship? Okay, wow, $100 is the most. Wow, okay, it looks like we're gonna meet up at $100. Okay, looks like we're not gonna meet up for a while then. All right, fair enough then. Why are we moving then? Could be shorts covering. I guess there's no updates according to Bad Firm. Bad form. I don't know. There's no short interest updates. I don't know. No one knows at the end of the day. No one knows for sure what moves the stop price. Okay, there's just not enough information available to us, right? We just don't know. Dart pools, more manipulation, period. Okay, and we don't know. But it's the Russell 3000 news. Well, the Russell 3000 news, that's we've known about that for a while, and everybody knows if they did the research, it's going to be June 25th at the close. That's when they're going to be buying the tens of millions of dollars of BNGO stock after the close of June 25th. Not today. So this is not the squeeze. This is not the squeeze. Oh, you're his wife, Kathleen. Oh, okay, yeah, I did say parentheses Kathleen there. Sorry, my friend. Sorry, Kathleen. Sorry, my friend. Sorry, you're a legend, though. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate that, though. Brandon, what are you still doing? I can't leave. It just keeps going up in the after hours. I can't leave when Bionano just goes up perpetually. I cannot leave it, man. Oh, an article just came out on it, though, on 30 minutes ago. Did it? Link it to me. Please tell me if it did. I don't think it, I didn't see any. We got 2 articles today, and we didn't see this one. Actually, we didn't see either of these, but there was 2 new articles. This was this one. That was the news today. Seeking Alpha about the Russell. Okay, let me send it to me. Send it to me in the Discord. Send it to me. Send the article to me in the Discord. For now, I'm gonna try to look it up because that seems really important. Seeking Alpha, BNGO, Russell 3000. See if it comes up. 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. Nope. Oh, 9 hours ago. Whoa, what is this? Is this it? I don't think BNGO is mentioned in here though. Yeah, no. Nope. Did we have a breakout? That's putting it mildly. Also, here's another thing to know. We confirmed the 21 SMA 4-hourly metal Bollinger Band as support. Roughly, we did. That's as simple as it gets. We did. One way or another, although it wasn't through the most conventional way, although we started running 5% after hours, which is crazy, but we are confirming this support one way or another as we're confirming the breakout, which is bullish. That's your ape language. I just copy and pasted the article title according to you, and nothing came up. That's interesting. Please send me the link in the Discord. Free link in the description for the what do you call it? You're looking at like the 1-hourly chart, I think. It just depends on where you draw it. But yeah, I think we do. Yeah, it looks like well, here, let me try this. Here, let me do this. Here, let's see. Looks like we have some sort of resistance there. There's only 3 data points. There's like 5 different ways you can draw it up. Yeah. Yeah, let me get rid of this. Well, yeah. Well, no, that's still relevant because that's important. That's important still. Yeah, it's about what, 2 to 3 to 4 validations right there, and we are breaking out of that right now. Yeah, I would say so, but I don't really. Okay, here we go. Thank you. Thank you. This is more important. Okay, hold on. We'll go back on the other thing. Hold on. Okay. All right. Russell BNGO. This came out literally what? Central Time 1 hour before, 4:55. So 3:55. This came out 35 minutes ago ish. All right. Bionano to join Russell 3000 in this way, while this company pharmaceuticals is to see the deletion among healthcare stocks. That's it. That's nothing, bro. What the? At the conclusion of the 2021 Russell Index's annual reconstitution, following notable healthcare stocks will join the Russell 3000 Index, effective June 28th after the U.S. market opens. That is different. That's interesting. We got a fact check right now. Make sure y'all are spamming the chat if we start running again, if we start testing the after hours high of 820. But that is different than what the other article that we read said, which is June 25th's close. Right here. This article says right here, okay? Right. Where is it? It's right here. Yes. Okay. So the newly reconstituted indexes take effect after the market close on June 25th. Right here, it's saying June 28th after the market opens. We're getting dissenting sources on this. This is not good. I mean, whatever. Either way, we're getting tens of millions of dollars in shares bought. But it's fine. But like, why are they saying different ones? That's weird. Yeah, this is weird. Oh, okay. 25th is a Friday close. 28th is a Monday open. Okay, that makes sense. Basically the same thing then, kind of, in a way. Okay. I guess they mean they take effect. All right, gotcha. So yeah, they're buying. So yeah, I think they are. So they are going to be buying. They are buying the shares after the market close on June 25th, and then I guess they're going to be effective, and they're going to be taking note into the actual indexes and indices, I guess, after the market open on June 28th, something like that. Either way, it doesn't really matter, to be honest with you. It really doesn't matter. It's a Friday to a Monday, so basically the same thing. Either way, they're going to be buying at the end of the week of June 25th, and then we're going to be good to go the next week, and that's when the Bionano shares are going to be bought in the tens of millions, hopefully, or millions. Okay, the MSCI index was about 3.5 million, so. Gotcha. Okay, June 28th is my birthday. Hopefully, Bionano goes up for it. Right? Make sure you wish for that on your birthday cake wish if you do that. Funds at Mirror Russell 3000 will also have to buy Monday. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. I know, Brandon. You should go and sleep and make the video. I know. We should end it right now. We guys, let's end the stream right now. This is too long. This is too long of a stream. We have to end it right now. We're going sideways. We're consolidating. We're up 4%. We're doing great. We're above the 811 Fibonacci 50% retracement, although the price action doesn't care about that level. We're more importantly above the 20-minute SMA of the 4-hourly Bollinger Band, so that's good. As I say that, we gap up 1 cent or 2 cents. Yeah, well, Jameson, I agree with you, but the thing is the after hours trading has been indicative of what's going to happen in the pre-market very often, and we've seen that we've seen that a couple times, and we've also seen that not happen a couple times, right? But it's still good to see. Okay, it's not like after hours means nothing. It doesn't mean much when you're up like 1% or down upper one around the 1% change move. That's nothing. When you get a big move like above 2% or ish, right? Then it's something. And it is gonna influence what happens tomorrow, most likely, probably. Okay, so yeah, why wouldn't you buy before the 25th? Yeah, honestly, well, yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much. Let's get out of here. I'll go ahead and link tomorrow's stream in there so you can set your reminder if anyone wants to do that. BNGO stock, it is time. The titles are too fun to make. Oh, man. All right, there we go. All right, guys. No, we're not sleeping. We're making more videos. It's 4 o'clock p.m. Central Time for me. But yeah, I need to go eat, and then we need to make more BNGO videos if we're going to get them out today. All right, man. Thank y'all so much. All right. Thank y'all so much. This is Not Financial Advice. I will see y'all in the next one.